Hello, can you hear now? Everybody, just check. Hello, everybody can hear now. सगळ्यांक पळयता. Everybody can hear. Everybody can hear. Okay. आता आवाज ऐकत दिसता सगळ्यांक. Okay, let's continue. नको म्हणटालो. Okay, so there was a little interruption. I'll tell you why the mind make off because everybody can hear me. Yes, आता clear आहे सगळे. हां. येस हे जालें सॉर्ट जालें सिंपल रिजन वॉज बिकॉज कोणी तरी म्हाका कॉल मारलो वॉट्सॅप कॉल केलो वॉट्सॅप एक्चुअली हांवें तो हेजेर दवरला बट कोणी वॉट्सॅप कॉल आयज फोन ऑफ करपाक विसरलो सो वॉट्सॅप कॉल दवरलो म्हणून तो मायक थंयसर डायवर्ट जालो तो आनी परत एका येयना तो मागीर तो ओके नो प्रॉब्लम हांवें फिक्स दॅट तो पार्ट जालो ओके सो वी आर डन विथ दीस एवरीबडी लेट्स गो कोणाक आन्सर कळलो सगळ्यांक आन्सर कळलो आयज आमी सर्कल करपाचें आहा आन्सर कळलो सगळ्यांक हेजो कितें म्हटल्यार आमकां एपी आनी क्यू टेंजंट्स ऑफ द दिस एक सर्कल आहा सेंटर ओ आहा आनी कितें म्हटल्यार आ टेंजंट्स एपी आनी ए क्यू न्हू सो भायर ए आसा खंय तरी आनी हांगा अशें आहा हांगा पी आसा आनी हांगा क्यू आसा अशें आसा आनी कितें दिलां आमकां एंगल पी ए क्यू इज गिवन हाउ मच 60 डिग्री दिला आनी आमकां फायंड करपाचो एंगल पीओए यस वी नीड टू फायंड एंगल check we need to find angle POA your angle find करपाचो everybody just check this is the angle we need to find कोणाक गावलो answer what is angle POA anybody got the answer angle POA what it is anybody got the answer angle POA how much it is given PAQ 60 आता remember if PAQ 60 ही जी लाइन मदली आसा ती कडी करता सारखी हाफ करता हांगा जालो 30 डिग्री everybody knows this हांगा जातलो 30 डिग्री this will be 30 डिग्री yes then we need to find POA नो खंय POA हांगा आसा आमकां खबर आहा रेडियस आनी टेंजंटच्या मध्ये कितको एंगल आसता 90 डिग्री एंगल आसता दिस इज 90 सो बाय युजिंग एंगल्स ऑफ प्रॉपर्टी चेक तो कसलो ट्रायंगल जाता 90 30 60 वालो एंगल जाता न्हू हांगा 30 हांगा 90 ऑटोमॅटिकली एका कितके वचचे पडटले दिस वन हॅज टू बी 60 डिग्री सो मला आन्सर कितें आहा 60 everybody getting answer 60 first answer 60 just check 60 is the first answer no everybody getting 60 yeah 60 is the first answer मेळो सगळ्यांक 60 आन्सर मेळो 60 is my first answer just check yeah 60 is my first answer we get then quickly let's take second one घेऊया यो इजी RS and RV are tangents दिला from point R okay europe केली करून आता from point R दिला आणि सेंटर O दिला आमका सेंटर O दिला आणि कितें म्हटलं आमकां एट एस एन पी इट इज गिवन एंगल SOV is 110 degree angle SOV is 110 degree we have to find angle VRS almost same type तुमकां हल्ली प्रॉब्लेम चड येतली सो ती हांव करता चेक ऑप्शन इज गिवन 35 45 डिग्री 55 डिग्री आणि 70 डिग्री चेक एवरीबडी द ऑप्शन्स quickly let's get the answer same type आहे exactly almost similar type आहे वरच्या क्वेश्चन मातशी तकली लावपाक जाय म्हणून डायग्राम ड्रॉ करपाक जाय इझिली आन्सर गावतलो एवरीबडी टेल मी द आन्सर कम ऑन बिगिन वरचो कसो सॉल्व जालो त्या भशेन सॉल्व जातलो कम ऑन सिंपल प्रॉब्लेम इट इज लेट्स गेट द आन्सर कम ऑन यस एनीबडी गेटिंग आन्सर 70 खूप जण म्हणतात 70 थोडी म्हणतात 50 55 म्हणतात थोडी 55 म्हणतात 55 or 70 what is the answer yes what is my answer 55 का 70 55 or 70 what is the answer 70 people are saying okay ड्रॉ करूया मी डायग्राम ड्रॉ करूया साइडीन कितें जातलो सर्कल आहा आनी परत टेंजंट आहा दोन आनी पॉइंट R आहा भायर पॉइंट R आहा आनी हांगा कितें आसा कितें दिला RS आनी RV म्हणल्यार कितें हांगा S आहा आनी हांगा V आहा RS आनी RV दोन हे जाता टेंजंट जाता पॉइंट R आनी खंय आसा कितें दिला आमकां SOV दिला न्हू O इज द सेंटर आमकां दिला SOV म्हणल्यार कितें SOV म्हणल्यार ह्यो कितको दिला आमकां हांगाच्यान हांगा फूल एंगल कितको दिला ह्यो एंगल दिला आमकां 110 दिला ह्यो फूल एंगल आहा 110 आमकां फायंड करपाचो एंगल VRS म्हणल्यार आमकां ह्यो एंगल फायंड करपाक जाय न्हू एवरीबडी जस्ट चेक आमकां ह्यो एंगल फायंड करपाक कसो तरी कळो सगळ्यांक डायग्राम कळो दिस एंगल इज 110 आमकां फायंड करपाक जाय ह्यो एंगल कसो करया थिंक ह्यो कसो करूया आमी बेगिना कॉन इजी आ कसो करूया ह्यो 110 जाल्यार हो कितको जातलो जस्ट चॅक कितको जातलो एवरीबडी व्हेरी सिंपल इट इज चॅक हांवें तुमकां कितें सांगलेलें these are the two radius everybody understand these are the two radius and these are the tangent what is the angle between the radius and the tangent हांगा कितको एंगल आ हांगा 90 आ आनी हांगा कितको आ हांगाय 90 आ yes 90 वयर 90 आ सकलूय 90 आ everybody clear with this आता ह्यो कितें जाला एक quadrilateral जाला आमकां खबर आ quadrilateralचे टोटल एंगल्स एक quadrilateral गेलो कसल्या शेपाचो quadrilateral गेलो चार साइडीचो यो प्लस यो प्लस यो प्लस यो ह्यो टोटल एंगल कितके जाता everybody knows it is 360 degrees yes total angle of any quadrilateral becomes 360 degrees यो सुद्धा quadrilateral हेजे 360 जावपा जाय out of 360 हांगा 90 आनी हांगा 90 मेळोन ह्या दोगांक मेळून कितके जाले 180 हांगाच जाले न्हू चेक एकाने एका मेळोन 180 सोंपले थंयसरूच सो हे दोनी बाकीचे कितके आसतले यो आनी यो मेळोन कितलो जावपाक जाय 180 टोटल जावपाक जाय यो ऑलरेडी खबर आ 110 आता ह्यो 180 हा टोटल 180 सो ह्यो कितको उरलो 180 minus 110 कितको जातलो इट इज जस्ट डू 180 minus 110 आय होप सगळ्यांक कळ्ळें कित्याक 180 हेंचो दोगांचो टोटल जातलो 180 कित्याक 180 बिकॉज हे दोनी 180 आ 180 टुगेदर दे शुड गिव यू 360 करेक्ट हे 90 कित्याक तुमकां ऑलरेडी सांगलें 90 90 180 बाकीचे दोन उरलेले 180 जाले येस हे ऑलरेडी 110 180 ले 110 काढले ह्यो कितके जावचे पडटले आमकां 70 जावचे पडटले खूब जाणांनी म्हटले 70 न्हू येस 70 इज द करेक्ट आन्सर येस एवरीबडी गेटिंग 70 माय आन्सर इज 70 degree is my answer just check everybody those who are getting 70 वाल्यार तुमकां सारखे बरे उमेदीन हा कळटा at least yes 70 is my answer right we get answer 70 good let's go ahead हे जाले आमचे let's take next one let's take next one come on आणि थोडी इम्पॉर्टंट आमकां प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करपाक जाय या टायपाची आमी केली आता थोडी पीओबी केली एपीबी केली दुसरो घेऊया आता टाइप एज अंडर विल टेक दिस वन सिक्स्थ वन थर्ड वन नो थर्ड वन आणि खूप प्रॉब्लेम हा हेजे अंडर हांव थोडी प्रॉब्लेम स्किप करता वाय बिकॉज हेच्या फुडले जे प्रॉब्लेम हा आय टेल यू इट इज एक्झॅक्टली सेम प्रॉब्लेम जस्ट लेटरा चेंज केला नंबरा चेंज केला मातसो आन्सर चेंज जातलो बट आयडिया इज एंटायरली सेम फर्स्ट दोन प्रॉब्लेम इज एंटायरली सेम सो आम्ही कैसा बेस्ट टाइम वेस्ट करतले आम्ही सेम टाइप प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करून सो हांव मातसो एक डिफरंट टाइप घेता आता येस पीडीएफान हा थोडी पीडीएफान हेजे प्रॅक्टिसूच दिला आसतली हांवें मे बी हे प्रॅक्टिसूच दिला आसतले सो तुमकां ते पळोवपाक जाय सेम टायपान सॉल्व जाता व्हेरी इजिली सॉल्व जाता इफ बाय चान्स तरी कोणाक पीडीएफचो एक दोन क्वेश्चनचो आन्सर मात्तूय गावना जाल्यार डेफिनेटली म्हाका कॉन्टॅक्ट करा इदर इंस्टाग्राम और व्हॉट्सएप कोणा कडेन घाल्लो नंबर एनी वे यू हॅव टू गेट टू कॉन्टॅक्ट मी डेफिनेटली कॉन्टॅक्ट करा इजिली आसता हांव अवेलेबल रिप्लाय दिता येस चेडवांक रिप्लाय दिना पण तुमकां डेफिनेटली पयलीं दितलो इफ यू हॅव डाउट बिकॉज हे सॉल्व करपाचें चड इम्पॉर्टंट आहा कळ्ळें सो हे करया आमी आतां काम बेगिना काम करया लेट्स गो चेडवा म्हणल्यार डावटा खातीर चेडवांक दितलो डावटा खातीर चेडवांक दितलो कितें कितें म्हणपाक म्हाका लेट्स गो लेट्स टेक दिस नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन एवरीबडी ह्यो घेवया आमी येस ह्यो घेवया फ्रॉम पॉइंट पी check the question from point P outside circle from point P outside circle check what is given length of tangent okay yeah the important problem is length of tangent is 21 centimeter आता length चे घेतले हावें and distance किती म्हटलं हांगा the length of tangent to the segment of circle 21 म्हटले and the distance of P from the center is 29 centimeter and you have to find the length of diameter okay length of diameter of the same circle okay you have to find the length of diameter options are आमच्याकडे 10 हा 20 हा 40 हा आणि 50 हा कमन आता तुमका लेंथाचे प्रॉब्लेम दिला परत तुमका सेम वस्तू करपाक जाय ट्राय टू रीड द प्रॉब्लेम असे तुमका येतले पॅराग्राफ टाइप येतले एमसीक्यू रीड करा सारखे रीड करा ट्राय टू ड्रॉ द फिगर पहिली बरें कितें कितें दिलां फिगरान आनी मागीर इजिली आन्सर गावतलो कमन. आतां लेंथात दिलें जाल्यार ते एंगलवाल्याचें व्हडलें कांय काम ना हांगा लेंथ म्हणल्यार तो वदोळचो आमकां तो सेम सेम टेंजंट वालो पार्ट यूज करचो पडटलो कसो. ओके लेट्स गो कमन. येस हे सॉल्व करया बेगीन एवरीबडी. चेक कितें मेळटा आन्सर आमकां रब करता पयलींचे. येस लेट्स सॉल्व दीस कमन. 20 इज आन्सर म्हणटा विघ्नेश म्हणटा आन्सर 20 मेळटा. आनी कोणाक कितें मेळटा? येस एनीबडी गेटींग एनी अदर आन्सर? येस कमन सॉल्व करपाक जाय कमन सगळ्यांना सॉल्व करपाक जाय. आय विल वेट फॉर यू दिस टायम लिटल बीट कमन सॉल्व करया बेगीन. 8 जाली कमन कमन. येस वॉट इज द आन्सर? ओनली वन स्टुडंट गेटींग आन्सर 40 म्हणून बाकीच्यांक मेळना आन्सर. सर नेक्स्ट लॉगॅरिथम प्लीज. ओके लॉगॅरिथम म्हाका दिसता आमी केला न्हू लॉगॅरिथम म्हाका याद ना म्हाका दिसता आमी लॉगॅरिथम घेतला दिसता चडसो. घेतला दिसता लॉगॅरिथम म्हाका दिसता आमी घेतला लॉगॅरिथम. घेतला हॅव यू टेकन लॉगॅरिथम सो फार एवरीबडी? येस इंडिया की जीत येस करेक्ट. येस एनीबडी एल्स गेटिंग आन्सर? 40 40 40 मेळटा थोड्यांक 40 मेळ्ळो. सर येस घेतले लॉग दॅट्स वन थिंग म्हाका याद हांवें लॉग घेतला आमी. येस चेक कितें मेळटलो कितें म्हटलां आवटसायड द सर्कल. सो सर्कल आहा आनी पॉयंट पी आवटसायड आहा. कितें म्हटलां लेंथ ऑफ द टेंजंट इज 21 सेंटीमीटर. सो डिस्टन्स फ्रॉम द पी 21 हांगा 21 सेंटीमीटर लेंथ. आनी कितें दिलां आमकां डिस्टन्स ऑफ पी फ्रॉम द सेंटर इज 29. सो हांगा सेंटर आहा आनी हांगाचो पी कितको आहा हांगाच्यान 29 आहा दिला आमकां. आनी कितें दिलां फायंड द लेंथ ऑफ द डायमीटर ऑफ द सेम सर्कल. इजी आमकां डायमीटर फायंड करपाक जाय. डायमीटर आमकां इजिली गावतली इफ रेडियस खबर आहा. सो बेसिकली आमकां जस्ट रेडियस फायंड करपाक जाय. ह्यो आमकां लेंथ फायंड करपाक जाय. येस हांगा सेंटीमीटर आहा आमकां जस्ट इतकेंच फायंड करपाक जाय. ऑटोमॅटिकली आमकां आन्सर गावलो. नांव दिवया न्हू ताका हेका कितें दिवया हांगा नांव ओ दिवया हेका क्यू दिवया कितें नांव दिवया. आतां रिमेंबर रेडियस आहा आनी टेंजंट आहा. वॉट इज एंगल बिटवीन रेडियस आनी टेंजंट? इट इज 90. If your 90 degree आहा what can we do? We can use some for theorem no 90 degree वाला कसलो theorem म्हणटा anybody knows? कितें म्हणटा ताका theorem? Yes anybody? Yes first time watching your video. Yes welcome to the videos. बाकीचे videos आमी केला खूब हेजे पार्ट सो गो थ्रू कर ते important आहा. Yes anybody somebody got the answer? Pythagorean theorem means what? I can write hypotenuse square. Suppose Pythagoras theorem yes I can write hypotenuse the longest value. Suppose a square b square and c square. I can write a square equal to कितें b square plus c square. अशें longest side square is equal to बाकीचे दोन हांचे एड करून स्क्वेअर. हांगा longest side कोण आहा hypotenuse कोण जाता तो 90 चा ऑपोजिट आहा. 90 हांगा जाल्यार ह्यो जाल्यार hypotenuse. So I can write what I can write 29 square can be written as what? I can write OQ to square. I can write OQ to square plus यो कितको स्क्वेअर 21 चो स्क्वेअर. कमन इतकेच आमकां सॉल्व करपाक जाय. सो वॉट इज OQ चो स्क्वेअर तशेंच दवरया. लेट्स फायंड 21 गो 21 स्क्वेअर 441. सेम वे फायंड वॉट इज 29 स्क्वेअर. कमन यू विल गेट द आन्सर. लेट्स गो 29 स्क्वेअर कितको बरोवया मागीर तो 441 ह्या कडेन मारया रूट मारया आनी जस्ट वी नीड टू फायंड OQ चो आन्सर. चेक OQ चो आन्सर केन्ना मेळटा बेगीन कमन. लेट्स फायंड द आन्सर OQ. येस let's find OQ. Come on, everybody. Yes, sir हांव वळखले म्हाका दीक्षा बेतोडकर दिशान बेतोडकर. येस come on let's get the answer. JK King sir shout out for others. Yes I remember everybody. I'll just wait for little more time. Okay let there be little more audience. When the audience is in peak I'll try to see it. Yes but I will definitely do your work for sure. Okay yes I will not forget. I have not forgotten it. Yes. Let's go. Come on, everybody. Answer. Come on. Everybody get the answer. Come on. Easy problem. This is very easy. कितना आलो? 29 to square कितना आलो? Yes, very easy problem. What is the answer of 29 square? You know, 841. Check 841 will get over here. Let's take 841 over here. 841 minus 441. Anga OQ square. What is the answer? 841 minus 441 will give you 400. No? So we will get OQ square equal to 400. Let's take what is root of 400? Is it 20? Right? Check. Do we get answer 20? So we get the answer. Kitko? 20 we get, no? Yes. But remember 20 is what finally? Everybody? 20 is what we get is what? Radius. 20 is what we get is radius. Radius is not asked. We are asked diameter. Diameter is the full thing. Remember diameter double of radius. Radius is 20. What is diameter? Diameter has to be 40. Check, my answer is 40. Everybody getting 40. Kasha? Meta second 40. Galo 40 is my answer, right? Everybody getting answer 40. 20 amka galo radius. But amka vitallo 40, no? Yes. So laptop soon poita आणि लेस खाता आणि कोको कोला पियाता. अरे येस. आणि सांगलेले नो डिस्ट्रॅक्शन. लेस आणि कोको कोला डिस्ट्रॅक्शन हा तुमची. आक्को तकलीफ आसा खावपाचेर आसता. टेस्ट अरे वा काय बरो टेस्ट. मग कसलो तरी मीम याद येलो. बरो मीम याद येलो. कसलो तरी तो. ओके. So let's go everybody. कळेल सगळ्यांक हे? Yes. 40 मेळो. Everybody understood how 40 we get answer? Right? Clear? Everyone understood why 40 is the answer? Should we go ahead now next? Let's take next one. Come on. Let's take next one. थोडी MCQ जा. Remember या टाइपची MCQ जा. So एक टाइपची हांव करपाक ट्राय करता हांगा जाता इतके. Yes, others you try to do. कुणाले MCQ जा आता आमचो टाइम काबार जातलो. एक सगळी MCQ सॉल्व केली जाल्यार. Yes. So important one हांव ट्राय करता हांगा. Let's take next one under this. Everybody. यो बरो हा. Let's take next question. Okay, radius is given. Radius of circle with center O is 6 centimeter. O is the center. ये दिला. Radius is 6 centimeter is given. आणि किती दिला? O is the center of the circle. आणि किती दिला? Tangent PR at point P on the circle is given. Meets a line drawn. Meets a line drawn. अशें म्हणून सांगला. From O. Line drawn from O. Okay. At point R. Okay. Such that OR is given 10 centimeter. Okay. I am trying to write all the detail of the question because एक दोन detail बरोवंक लागल्यार मागीर तो diagram draw करपाक मुश्किल जाता आमकां. And you have to find therefore PR. You have to find PR is what? PR is dash centimeter. Yeah, find करपा जाय. PR find करपा जाय. Options are 8, 16, 64, 136. Come on, let's go. परत आम्ही डायग्राम काढूया. Come on, let's go. हे सगळे दिलेले आमकां. ट्राय टू ड्रॉ फिगर. MCQ फिगरूच काडपाचें व्हडलें काम येता. एटलीस्ट म्हाका तरी ते फिगरूच काडपाक इतको तकलेन त्रास जाता. एकदा फिगर गावलो मागीर सुशेगाद तकली लावन सॉल्व करपा जाय. पण हे वाचचें पडटा. एक यू टू रीड व्हेरी प्रॉपरली. ओके, तेजो काय उपाय ना. आमकां तो वाचचोच पडटलो आनी सारको डायग्राम काडचोच पडटलो. कम ऑन, लेट्स गो. येस सर, थँक्यू. टुडे हांव पास माय पेपर. अरे आतां पास जालो म्हणून पेपर करेक्ट केलो कितें? डायरेक्ट टिचर्सून पेपर घेवन करेक्ट हांवूच करेक्ट करता, हांवूच आपल्याक पास करता, तशें आसना. ओके, यू शूड नॉट प्रेडिक्ट इट. नातर नेगेटीव चिंतप. Come on, let's go. 8. Somebody is getting 8 answer. 2 students getting 8 answer. 2 students. Third one. No, this is not 2. Fourth one getting 8 answer. Joel also get 8 answer. Come on. Answer. Come on. मेळो. Yes. संजू फकत हासता. एक आन्सर दिना आमकां. आता चल आन्सरूय दिलो. Anybody else getting answer? Chandrasekhar What the answer? 8 you're getting the answer. Yes, easy one it is, right? So diagram draw करूया. किती म्हणलं आमका सर्कल हा आणि रेडियस 6 सेंटीमीटर हा ओ सेंटर हा किती म्हणलं टेंजंट पी आर is at point P on the circle. There is a point P on the circle आणि टेंजंट हा टेंजंट आर असा meet the line drawn from O at point R. So हांगाच्यान लाईन ड्रॉ केला पॉइंट ओ आर सजेट ओ आर इज 10 सेंटीमीटर आमका दिला आणि किती दिला रेडियस दिला आमका 6 दिला. टू फाइंड द लेंथ ऑफ पी आर. चेक एवरीबडी किती इझी प्रॉब्लेम तुमका सांगलेले सेम टाइप रिपीटेड हा मागचे ते क्वेश्चन ट्विस्ट अँड टर्न करून दिलं काहीच नाही एकदा तुमका डायग्राम मला काय टेन्शन ना सुशागात प्रॉब्लेम झालो. सो या प्रॉब्लेम किती जाता भुरगे ते डायग्राम काढपाक तेमका अर्धे पर्धे जाता तेमका ते यो वर्ड यो ड्रॉ कसो ड्रॉ करपाचो खंय ड्रॉ करपाचो तेजेनूच कन्फ्यूज जाता अर्धे आणि बेश्टेच कितें आन्सर ठोकून बरयता नाल्यार तिनी बरयलो 136 आन्सर 136 संपले तशें आसना मातूर तुम्ही सुशागात इफ यू ट्राय टू रीड चेक हाऊ इजिली यू गेट द डायग्राम. एकदा डायग्राम घालून तुमकां चडशे अशेंच येतले चडशे अशें ट्रायंगलाच दितली असो ट्रायंगल दिलो म्हणल्यार तुमकां खबर आसपाक जाय की हांगा 90 आसा आणि तुमकां सिंपल पायथागोरस थेरम आतां जाल्यार आनीकूय नंबरूच सिंपल आहा. सो सिंपल पायथागोरस थेरम यू हॅव टू यूज. येस कितें जातलो 10 स्क्वेअर 6 स्क्वेअर घेवया न्हू 6 स्क्वेअर प्लस पी आर स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू 10 स्क्वेअर 6 स्क्वेअर इज 36 पी आर स्क्वेअर 100. So what is पी आर स्क्वेअर 100 minus 36 which is 64. कोणाचो रूट दिता आमकां येस कोणाचो स्क्वेअर आमकां 64 दिता 8 दिता न्हू. सो व्हॉट इज माय 8 आन्सर व्हॉट इज माय आन्सर ऑफ पी आर इज इट 8 जस्ट चेक 8 we are getting right. Those who got the 8 answer it is correct no. PR is 8. Everybody got how 8 answer right 8 we get. Yes Rajpal getting how 136 8 mare Sushaka answer 8. Yes 8 we left. Okay which standard is this? This is the 10th standard of Goa board. दिशान स्पॅम करू नका हो actually स्पॅम करू नका. Okay are we done with this? 8 is the answer correct. Sohan also getting the answer 8 is the answer. Okay so most of the आम्ही केली ही टाइप केली हल्ली तुमकां येवपाची आहा स्टुडंट्स you to just try to read this सुशेगाद आन्सर जाता. ओके लेट्स टेक नेक्स्ट वन हेच्या अंडर आणि एक थोडी जस्ट 2-3 आणि एमसीक्यू घेऊया मागीर आम्ही डायरेक्टली दुसरो क्वेश्चन घेऊया दुसऱ्या टायपाचो क्वेश्चन घेऊया ते तर इम्पॉर्टंट आहा. फायनली तुमकां 1000 एमसीक्यू शिकयले थोडे भुरगे कितें करता डायरेक्टली तुमकां खबर आहा कितें करपाचें तो कितें बरयता तोच म्हाजो आन्सर नाल्यार टप 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 जय माताजी अशेंच करतले. ओके नाल्यार कितें तरी आनी कितें सगळे कडेन पॅटर्न आसता न्हू कितें तरी चूज करपाचो आन्सर. येस सो तशेंच जाता बट तशें करपाक जायना एक्चुअली मातशें सॉल्व करात एमसीक्यू. ओके लेट्स टेक नेक्स्ट वन आणि थोडे प्रॉब्लेम करूया हेच्या अंडर आमी टू टेंजंटचो आमी केला ऑलरेडी ह्योय केलो आमी ह्यो इझी आहा तोय केलो. ओके चडशे आमी मोस्टली आमी केले इम्पॉर्टंट वन सगळे केले एबीबी जालो ह्या टायपाचे केले सगळे सेम टायप आहा. आय एम ट्रायंग टू लूक फॉर क्वेश्चन जो डिफरंट आहा मातसो हेजे तुमच्याकून डिफरंट आहा पण गावीत ना बिकॉज दे आर ऑल द सेम आनी तुमकां ahleच येतले ते सर. ओके लेट्स ट्राय टू दिस ह्यो मातसो डिफरंट आहा. ओके लेट्स ट्राय टू डू दिस एवढी कितें दिला पी एंड पीबी आर टेंजंट्स दोनूय टेंजंट्स आहा एट एक्सटर्नल पॉइंट पी आणि कितें म्हटला सेंटर ओ दिला आमकां एट ए एंड बी दिला आमकां कितें दिला एंगल एओबी एंड एंगल एपीबी एंगल एओबी आणि एपीबी आर इन रेशियो 3:2 रेशियो दिला आमकां 3:2. देन एंगल APO is dash. Okay check 72 degree 36 degree 108 degree आणि 90 degree. Okay these are the options. Come on try to do everybody. मातशे हांगा डिफरंट कितें आहा रेशियो दिला आनी कांयच ना त्याचो हांवें तो मुद्दम दिलो प्रॉब्लेम तुमकां मातसो रेशियोचो तुमकां पार्ट दिला आनी कांय ना एक्चुअली इट्स इझी मातशे रेशियो तुमकां कळपाक जाय रेशियो करपाचें कितें मागीर खूब इझी जाता. कम ऑन लेट्स गो. Yes Yes, come on. Let's get the answer, everybody. पळय कोणाक मेळटा आतां आन्सर. सर, वॉट अबाउट सोशल सायन्स? ओके, सोशल सायन्स ते म्हाका खबर आहा. खूब जाणांक टेन्शन आहा सोशल सायन्साचें. येस. ऑलरेडी मॅथ सायन्स काढता सारके इतके दीस लागले आमकां. येस, बिकॉज तेजे पयलीं 9th स्टँडर्ड, तेज्या पयलीं 11th 12th टायम आख्खो गेलो हेज्यानूच. अरे बरे, लेट्स गेट आन्सर. कोण बेगिना. आनी हांव गजाली मारीत रावतलो, तुमी गजाली आयकत रावतले, कमेंट मारीत रावतले आनी टायम थंय काबार जातलो. प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करूया. कोण बेगिना. एनीबडी गेटिंग आन्सर? 36 म्हणून म्हणटा. विघ्नेश म्हणटा 36. एनीबडी एल्स गेटिंग आन्सर? येस. एनीबडी एल्स? एनीबडी एल्स? एनीबडी एल्स गेटिंग आन्सर? मेळ्ळो कोणाक? कोणाक तरी मेळ्ळो? 108. ओके, 36 108. 2 नागेशी सिंग 108. राजपाली सिंग 36. थोड्यांक 36 मेळटा. येस, कितें मेळटा आन्सर? एक्चुअली कितें मेळटा आन्सर? आन्सर इज, सर, आन्सर इज 36. येस. कितें मेळटा आन्सर? कितें मेळटा? ओके, ड्रॉ करूया. पयलीं फिगर ड्रॉ करूया. कितें म्हणला परत? आमकां सर्कल दिला आनी कितें दिला? टेंजंट एट द एक्सटर्नल पॉयंट पी. पॉयंट पी भायर आसा, तेजे दोन अशे कितें आसा, टेंजंट आहा. आनी कितें दिला आमकां? पॉयंट पी सेंटर दिला आमकां, ओ दिला. सेंटर ओ म्हटला एट पॉयंट ए आनी बी हांकां हे ए आनी बी हांगा आसा. आनी कितें दिला? एंगल ए ओ बी. सो हेका जॉइन करया म्हणजे चेक एंगल ए ओ बी, एंगल ए ओ बी आनी एंगल ए पी बी आर इन रेशियो कितें? 3:2. सो ह्यो एंगल आनी ह्यो एंगलचो रेशियो दिला 3:2. 3:2 म्हणल्यार कितें? हेजो 3. रिमेंबर, जेन्ना तुमकां रेशियो दिता, जेन्ना तुमकां रेशियो दिता जाल्यार कितें करप? रेशियो दिता वी कॅनॉट, रेशियोचो मिनींग भुरगे कितें करतात थोडे, हेका 3 म्हणून बरयता, हेका 2. तशें बरोवपाक जायना. यू टू पुट दॅट के. रेशियो म्हणल्यार यू टू पुट के. सो हेका 3k म्हणून घालया, हेका 2k म्हणून घालया. सो वील पुट दिस एज 3k, वील पुट दिस एज 2k. जस्ट चेक, वील पुट दिस एज 3k आनी 2k अशें म्हणून घालया. आमकां जाय एंगल कसलो? ए पी ओ. ओके, वी रिक्वायर एंगल ए पी ओ. ह्यो जाय आमकां. एवरीबडी जस्ट चेक, ह्यो जाय आमकां एंगल. पण तो गावच्या पयलीं आमकां ते पयलीं हे दोनी 3k 2k कितके जाता ते पयलीं फायंड करचे पडटले न्हू. आमी कितें करया? आमकां उदक आमी केल्ले. दिस इज 90, दिस इज 90. सो हेंचो टोटल कितको जाता दोगांचो? चेक. 3k आनी 2k चो टोटल कितको जावपाक जाय? वी नो इट शूड बी 180 डिग्री. उदक केल्ले आमी. सो आय विल जस्ट रायट 3k plus 2k should give us total how many degrees? 180 degree. This we had done earlier, no? In the earlier problem असलो डायग्राम आसलो. येस. इफ तुमकां डायग्राम तो गावता जाल्यार तो तसोच करपाचो आसता. कळ्ळें? व्हेरी इजी. येस. हे जालें? ओके, लेट्स गो. मागीर 3k 2k कितको? 5k. 180. k कितको जातलो? 180 upon 5. कॅन्सल करया न्हू. 5 1 जा 5 कितको जा? 5 कितको जातलो? 36 जातलो. चेक. 536. So k चो आन्सर माझो 36. Now we get the k चो आन्सर 30. Now you can find both the angles, no? This is 2k. 2k म्हटल्यार कितको आलो ह्यो? चेक. कितको आलो? 2k म्हटल्यार कितको आलो? एवरीबडी जस्ट चेक. 2k म्हटल्यार कितको आलो? Yes, yes, yes. Yes or no? Yes. Anybody getting answer? Okay, comment खूप भरपूर मारता पण आन्सर दिना. Yes, yes. Finally, somebody give me real answer. Joel gives me answer, that is 36. So, किती जातलो? 2 multiplied by 36, which is 72 degrees. So, what is this total angle? We get this total angle 72 degree. If you want, you can find this also. 3 multiplied by 36 करून आमकां ह्योय मेळटलो. 108 मेळटलो answer. Very simple one. तेजी गरज ना, आमकां हेच दितालो. आता if I draw a line exactly half over here, remember ही line की drawing half करते. So, कितको उरलो आमचो ह्यो angle कितको उरलो? APO कितको उरलो by the way? 36 हाफ कितको जातलो परत? 72 हाफ कितको जातलो परत? 36. So is my answer 36? Just check. Check 36 I should get. 72 गावलो. 72 फुल गावलो. देन काय डाउट ना. 72 हाफ कितको आसा? 36 नो, बिकॉज हांगा दोन पार्ट जातले तेजे. सो इजन माय आन्सर 36. सारकें म्हणल्यार 36 मेळ्ळो. सगळ्यांक मेळ्ळो 36 सोड ना आन्सर 36 degrees getting right yes Saish also got the answer 36 आमकां आन्सर मेळ्ळो न्हू yes सो ही सगळी आमी MCQ केल्या एवरीबडी चेक हाऊ इजी दे आर खूब इजी आहा ओके फुडें आमी आतां लेट्स गो हे जालें आमचें येस सो आमी मोस्ट ऑफ द MCQs ट्राय केला हांगा डिफरंट टायपाची एक तुमकां लेंथाची येवपी नाल्यार तुमकां एंगलाची येवपी येस एंगलाचे जाल्यार आसलेच आसतले शुवर येत वालेले हांगा 90 वालो पार्ट यूज करप नाल्यार लेंथाचे जाल्यार पायथागोरस थेरम वालो पार्ट यूज करप व्हेरी इजी एक्चुअली दोगूयचे दोगूय येस शाल वी गो हेड नाव आतां MCQ आमी खूब मोस्ट ऑफ द MCQs आमी हांगा यूज केले ओके लेट्स गो हेड नेक्स्ट वन 2 मार्काचे क्वेश्चन घेवया न्हू 2 मार्काचे क्वेश्चन घेवया let's cancel all this let's take 2 marks question okay now we'll do 2 marks slash 3 marks question 2 marks slash 3 marks question आता important question type हा जे आमकां करपाक जाय सगळ्यांक ओके let's take this problem everybody from the this thing only I'm taking okay गावलो म्हाका check a circle 1 minute हा हे वाला दिवया पहिले तुमकां ओके जस्ट चेक 2 concentric वाला दिवया ओके 2 concentric circles of radii 5 centimeter आणि 3 centimeter are there find the length of chord of larger circle which touches smaller circle find the length of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle luckily there is a chance that you may get a diagram for this or you might not even get okay what is concentric म्हणजे कितें एक सेंटर असून जेन्ना दोन सर्कल जाता हेका म्हणटा आमी कॉन्सेंट्रिक सर्कल दोन्ही सर्कलचो सेम सेंटर आहे मदलोच पॉइंट सर्कल हा जस्ट रेडियसाचो फरक हा या टायपाक कितें म्हणटा आमी कॉन्सेंट्रिक सर्कल म्हणटा ओके कितें दिला आमकां दोन कॉन्सेंट्रिक सर्कल दिला एकल्याचो रेडियस कितको दिला 5 दिला दुसऱ्याचो 3 दिला ओके एकल्याचो 5 हा दुसऱ्याचो 3 आणि कितें दिला find the length of the chord of the larger circle which touches the small so आमकां या व्हडल्याचो chord फाइंड करपा जाय सो लेट्स ड्रॉ chord पण तो धाकट्या वाल्याक टचूय जावपाक जाय सो तो खंय काडया आमी हांगा काडया जशे दिस इज द chord ग्रीन वालो काडला तो chord जाता न्हू सगळ्यांक कळ्ळो येस जस्ट चेक हे सारकें म्हणलें सो फार क्लियर एवरीबडी हे कळ्ळें yes so this is your chord आमकां जस्ट हेजो लेंथ फाइंड करपा जाय आनी कितें दिलेलें आमकां दिला रेडियाय धाकट्याचो रेडियाय कितको हा 3 हा तो रेडियाय हांगा काडता हांगा 3 हा 3 सेंटीमीटर हा आनी व्हडल्याचो कितको जाय रेडियाय तो व्हडल्याचो रेडियाय खंयसरूय काडपी सो हांगा काडटा हांगा 5 हा येस चेक इतकेशेच हा आमकां फाइंड करपा जाय ग्रीनाची फुल लेंथ फाइंड करपा जाय कोणाक कळटा इजी हा खूबच इजी हा व्हेरी इजी प्रॉब्लेम येस लेट्स गो कम ऑन let's get the answer yes come on खूब easy हा okay come on all the students just remember don't have to focus on the comment okay हांव just वाचता आनी केन्ना केन्ना इग्नोर करता so don't worry about the comments at all you have come over here to study to learn something I mean तेच करा आनी म्हाजें काम आसा तुमचें शिकोवपाचें ते हांवूय करता तुमचें काम आसा शिकपाचें तें तुमी करा okay if you feel if there is some disturbance or something you don't have to worry about it at all tension कांयच ना okay कालूच हांवें सांगलेलें commenting is a those who are not interested in video for them at least commenting is a good thing it is good thing for me also yes correct see आता कोणीतरी सारखे म्हणले let's ignore them so no problem everybody come on let's go Let's go. Come on, everybody, let's get the answer. Yes, see, students are getting answer also. Come on. 8 मेटा खूप जणांक. Is the 8 answer? Tejas also got 8 answer. Answer. Who is this Sanju? कितें करया म्हाकाच कळना यार. सोडून दिला हांवें. Yes, let's go. 8 is the answer. Sohan also getting 8 answer. Everybody. सो कितें करया आमी हांगा 5 आहा हांगा 3 आहा. ओके, चेक एवरीबडी. ह्यो टेंजंट जालो न्हू. ह्यो कोण आमी काडटा बट तो धाकट्या वयल्या खातीर कितें आहा तो टेंजंट आहा. बेसिकली हांगा एंगल कितको आहा? हांगा 90 डिग्री आहा. आमी परत पायथागोरस थियरम यूज करपी. हेंच्या मदीं हेका आमी फॉर मोमेंट एक्स म्हणून घालया. ओके, सो कितें जातलें हेजो आन्सर कितें जातलो? वी कॅन रायट 3 स्क्वेअर प्लस एक्स स्क्वेअर इक्वल टू 5 स्क्वेअर. एक्स स्क्वेअर इक्वल टू कितें? 9 प्लस आनी हांगा कितें 25. एक्स स्क्वेअर इक्वल टू कितें? 25 मायनस 9. So x square is equal to कितें? 25 minus 9 is 16. So what is x चा answer? 4. Just check. Basically हो कितको गावलो म्हाका? 4 गावलो. पण आमकां फुल जाय न्हू. रिमेंबर आतां दोनूय सायडीन कितें जाता? सिमेट्रीक जाता. सिमेट्रीक इन द सेन्स व्हॉट? हांगा जो ट्रायंगल आनी हांगाचो जो ट्रायंगल तो सेमूच जातलो. ह्यो 4 जाले ह्योय 4च जातलो. सो हांगा 4 आहा. 4 प्लस 4 आमकां गावतलो आन्सर 8 गावतलो. सो गावता सगळ्यांक 8 आन्सर. येस, हे गावले. चेक एवरीबडी. 8 is the answer. Yes, Sohan got the answer. Prayash also got the answer. Gavle? 8 is my answer. Okay. 8 is my answer. No? Yes. Let's go. Sir, you continue. Focus. You continue, teacher. Do focus on people. Yes. Let's continue. 8 is the answer. Let's go next one, everybody. Next. Go. Come on. पुढला घेऊया आता डिफरंट टाइप घेऊया माथचो. We'll take a different one now. Let's take this. Let's write this question. Check everybody what is given. You are asked a circle. A circle is inscribed. Circle is inscribed in triangle ABC. आणि किती दिलं तुमका? AB दिला 12. AB दिला 12 सेंटीमीटर दिला आणि मागीर दिला BC दिला 8 सेंटीमीटर आणि AC दिला 10 सेंटीमीटर. You to find AD. तीन वस्तू फाइंड. AD, BE आणि थर्ड वन CF. ही तीन वस्तू फाइंड करपाक तुमका. ओके, डायग्राम दिलेला तुमका. सो डायग्रामान इजी जातले. सो कितें इन्स्क्राइब म्हणल्यार कितें? इन्स्क्राइब इन अ ट्रायंगल. इन्स्क्राइब इन अ ट्रायंगल म्हणल्यार कितें? एक ट्रायंगल आहा तेच्या भितर इन्स्क्राइब म्हणल्यार तेच्या भितर कितें आसा? तेच्या भितर ना सर्कल. जस्ट चेक एवरीबडी. तेच्या भितर ना सर्कल. या ट्रायंगल आसा ABC. हे दिलें आमकां आणि आमकां फाइंड करपाक जाय सगळे वस्तू. आणि मदीं आनीकूय लेटर आहा आमच्या कडेन. ABCच्या भितर आनीकूय लेटर आहा. येस, वॉट आर द लेटर्स? E. लेटर्स आर हांगा आसा E, हांगा आसा E, F, D. ओके, EFD आसा आमचे कडेन. EFD आहा. हे सगळे फाइंड करपाक आमकां EFD आसा. EFD आर द पॉइंट्स. ओके, कितें दिलेलें आमकां? वी आर फाइंड गिवन ABC. AB कितको दिला? हांगाच्यान हांगा 12 आसा. आणि कितें दिला? BC हियर टू हियर 8 आणि AC इज गिवन हांगाच्यान हांगा 10. इतके सगळे दिलेले आहा. जस्ट चेक. 12, 10, 8. दिस इज वॉट इज गिवन. आणि फाइंड कितें करपाक जाय? AD. खंय AD? यू नीड टू फाइंड दिस. हे फाइंड करपाक जाय. मागीर B हांगा आहा. B हांगा आहा खंय तरी. लेट्स मेक दिस B and let's make this F. जावचें ना. ओके, हांगा E घेवया आमी. B फाइंड करपाक जाय. AD, B आणि CF म्हणल्यार 1, 2 आणि 3 वस्तू. ही 3 वस्तू फाइंड करपाक जाय. कम ऑन, एनीबडी गेटिंग एनी आयडिया कितें करया? येस, जस्ट चेक. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on, anybody? CF5B4. Okay, getting answer. AD6. AD6 म्हणून म्हणता. Anybody else? Okay, this student got all three answers. 6, 4, 5. Come on, easy. Yes, Tejas also got the answer. 6, 4, 5. Anybody else? Anybody else? Saish also got. Rajpal also got. Okay, many people. Okay, sir, speak one word for haters. Okay, haters खातीर sorry, time ना माझ्याकडे. कितें करूया? आमच्याकडे time कमी आहे रे. Okay, and honestly I like haters. Haters always bring you up. Yes. So come on, haters motivate you to be better of yourself. Keep that in mind. ओके सो कितें फायंड करपाक एडी जाय न्हू खंय एडी हांगाच एडी आहा आतां सगळ्यांनी म्हाका दिसता 645 म्हाका आन्सर या टेलिंग एवरीबडी इज टेलिंग मी आन्सर 645 बट आय डोंट नो तुमी कितें लॉजीक यूज केला सगळ्यांनी इतको फास्ट आन्सर गावलो 645 म्हणून सगळ्यांनी हाफ हाफ केलो 645 हेजो हाफ केला हेजो हाफ केला तेजो हाफ केला ओके बट इट मे नॉट बी लायक दीस ऑल्सो येस सो कशें करया आतां आमी येस येस सो कशें करया आमकां आतां एडी फायंड करपा न्हू आमी कितें करया एडीक एक्स दिवया जस्ट चेक एवरीबडी लेट्स टेक दिस एक्स फॉर अ मोमेंट ओके लेट्स टेक दिस एडी एज एक्स आतां हांगा एक्स जाल्यार हांगा कितें जातलो एवरीबडी चेक हांगा एक्स जातलो एवरीबडी अंडरस्टँड टू टेंजंट ह्यो सर्कल जालो दीज आर द टू टेंजंट डू यू अग्री एवरीबडी दीज आर द टू टेंजंट्स ऑफ द सर्कल टू टेंजंट ऑफ अ सर्कल आर ऑलवेज इक्वल एवरीबडी अग्रीज दॅट टू टेंजंट ऑफ सर्कल आर ऑलवेज इक्वल म्हणल्यार ह्यो 10 सेंटीमीटर हांगा 10 सेंटीमीटर सो ह्यो एक्स जाल्यार ह्यो एक्स ह्यो कळ्ळो let's take this as AD. I'm taking AD as kire AD as x. For a moment I'm taking AD as x. आता यो x आता यो x जालो AF किती जालो ऑटोमॅटिकली AF किती जालो x जालो AD x जालो AF x. आता चेक एवरीबॉडी आता यो x आणि यो आको 10 यो कितको जातलो एवरीबॉडी जस्ट चेक थिंक वेरी केअरफुल व्हाट इज FC considering this full is 10 and this is x what would this length be anybody knows what would I write FC yes just check go on Sir, PDF open जायना मुरे please सांग do contact me on Instagram if PDF is not opening I will try to do this fix your problem okay everybody understood पहले solve करें नो यो x यो 10 यो कितना आता है everybody can see that this will become 10 minus x everybody agrees 10 minus x out of 10 I am removing x so I will do 10 remove x मतलब minus x check everybody FC is 10 minus x check FC is equal to 10 minus x everybody agrees this is 10 minus x right काय डाउट ना this is 10 minus x right yes आता tell me if this is 10 minus x what about this length isn't it 10 minus x also right जाता remember ह्या दोनों tangent equal हा नो so EC सुद्धा कितको आलो EC how much कितको आलो 10 minus x everybody agrees with this EC also 10 minus x so if this is 10 minus x here also 10 minus x right सारखे केले हांवें 10 minus x सुद्धा जातलो ह्यो 10 minus x जातलो right okay so 10 minus x जालो नो मागीर if this is 10 minus x what would this be now your full 8 आसा आणि त्याच्यातलो 10 minus x काढलो कितके उरले आमच्याकडे yes we can use the same idea no out of 8 remove 10 minus x so if you remove what will BEB out of 8 remove 10 minus x come on कितके जातले आन्सर 8 रिमूव 10 मायनस x एका मातशें सॉल्व करया न्हू कितें जातले एका सॉल्व केल्यार ब्रॅकेट ओपन करता पडटलो यू विल गेट 8 minus 10 minus प्लस x अशें मेळटलें जस्ट चेक 8 minus 10 plus x एका सॉल्व करया आमी कितको जातलो x उरला आमच्याकडे x आणि 8 minus 10 कितके -2 जस्ट चेक वी आर गेटिंग आन्सर -2 ह्यो कितको आलो x -2 एवरीबडी अग्रीज हाउ x -2 मेळो कसो x -2 x + 2 मेळटा साईशाक x + 2 कसो मेळटलो बिकॉज तेणी मे बी हांगा मिस्टेक केली हांव मायनस मायनस तेणी हे करूंक ना ओके एक मायनस साइन घेवंक नासतली येस जस्ट चेक x -2 मेळटा न्हू सगळ्यांक मेळटा येस सर 12 मायनस एक्स करीत जाल्यार 12 मायनस एक्स खंय 12 रे 12 थंय मरे ओके ओके एवरीबडी जस्ट चेक जालें ऑलमोस्ट आमचें काम जालें ऑलमोस्ट वी आर डन नाउ इफ दिस इज x -2 व्हाट अबाउट दिस I can write b if b is x -2 last step bd कितको जातलो bd सुद्धा कितको जातलो x -2 जातलो ह्यो कितको आला आता x -2 एवरीबडी अग्रीज हांगा x -2 जाल्यार हांगा x -2 लास्ट स्टेप ऑलमोस्ट वी आर डन जालें कळ्ळें सगळ्यांक x -2 ओनली आतां जालें चेक हांगा x -2 आनी हांगा x ह्यो आमी ओरिजिनली x घेतलेलो न्हू टोटल लेंथ कितको आमच्या दोगांचो व्हाट इज टोटल ऑफ ऑल दिस 12 योर डिस्टन्स आनी योर डिस्टन्स आमकां टोटल कितको येयला 12 दिता न्हू सो आमकां तें जॉइन करया आय कॅन रायट व्हाट कॅन आय रायट फ्रॉम दिस bd plus ad is equal to 12 what is bd you have taken as x -2 what is ad or da we have taken as x 12 जाले आता हे जस्ट सॉल्व करपा जाय कितें मेळटा हेजेसून डायरेक्टली एक्साचो आन्सर मेळटलो कमान कितें मेळटा एक्साचो आन्सर इजिली आन्सर मेळटलो कमान what is एक्साचो आन्सर जस्ट चेक येस सर जाली ओपन थँक्यू येस व्हेरी गुड आता पीडीएफ घालो म्हणून पास जायना कोण और बरे मार्क्स पडना ताका सॉल्व करपा जाय आख्खी येस एनीबडी गॉट दिस एक्स आन्सर व्हाट इज एक्साचो आन्सर एक्स आनी एक्स 2x तो -2 थंय वयतलो 12 - 2 12 + 2 जातलो न्हू कितको जातलो 2x = 6 सो x इज व्हाट अरे 14 सॉरी 14 जातलो सारकें बरयता ओके 2 थंय गेलो प्लस जालो x and x 2x जालो so 2x = कितें गो 14 so x is what 7 just check x is 7 कितें घेतला आमी x ad नो so ad is how much ad is 7 cm check we are not getting that answer 635 so how much is the answer ad 7 cm that's why I told you it is not directly as just half करपाचें problem न्हू ते कळ्ळें it may not be necessary की हो पॉइंट सारको मध्य या सो भुरग्यांनी कितें केला ad सारको 12 तो half 6 म्हणून बरयला that is wrong it may not be necessary की यो पॉइंट सारको यो पॉइंट मातसो हांगा आसूं शकता तो सर्कल मातसो वयर आसूं शकता कळ्ळें सो बिकॉज यो चेक ऑल द लेंथ्स आर नॉट सेम सो यो सर्कल हांवें काडला ताका मदीं बट तो सारको मदीं आसपाची कांयच गॅरंटी ना सो वॉट वी आर गेटिंग आन्सर 7 वी आर गेटिंग हांगा 7 मेळटा अजुनूय उरला न्हू बी आनी सी एफ नाव यू फायंड बी आनी सी एफ एनीबडी चेक वी गॉट एडी 7 सेंटीमीटर वॉट इज बी आनी सी एफ हांगा खंय तरी बी आनी सी एफ आमी घेतला आसतलो कळ्ळें बी 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 चेक बी हांगा आहा न्हू बी कितको आहा x -2 आहा आणि सीएफ खंय सीएफ तरी खंय घेतला आमी खंय सीएफ घेतला आमी घेतला न्हू सीएफ आमी खंय सीएफ एफसी सीएफ इज दिस हांगा आसा एफसी एंड सीएफ इज सेम 10 - x एक्साचो आन्सर गावला आमकां x इज 7 पण इजी आता दोन्ही गावतले आमकां सबला प्रॉब्लेम येस प्रॉब्लेम इज ओवर ऑलमोस्ट नाउ यू कॅन गेट द आन्सर कम ऑन चेक द आन्सर एवरीबडी मेळो बी चेक वेर इज बी x -2 what is x -2 x is 7 so 7 - 2 which is 5 centimeter and finally cf is what 10 - x 10 - x म्हटल्यार कितें 10 - 7 which is 3 centimeter so what is my answer 753 is my answer right 753 मेळटा yes सर 2 मार्क्स लागून इतके करप पडटले होय 2 मार्क्स लागून लेवल 2 माइट कम फॉर 3 मार्क्स सर्कलची प्रॉब्लेम अशी येऊ शकता कळ्ळें बिकॉज ऑलरेडी तुमकां इजी एमसीक्यू तुमकां दिलेले आसता सो हेज्यानी अशें करचें पडटलें काय ऑप्शन ना सिंपल आहे एक्चुअली इतके सगळे म्हणून काय ना ते प्रॉपर्टी आहा ते जस्ट बारीक बारीक प्रॉपर्टी आहा ऑलराइट आणि आयजूच 9थाचो पेपर हांवें पळयल्लो इट वॉज नॉट सो एज सिंपल एज इट लुक्स ओके प्रॉब्लम टायप थोडी थोडी मॅच जातली बट थोडे कॉम्प्लिकेटेड वस्तू दिसता आतां तुमकां इजी टायप एलिमिनेशन मेथड आणि मागीर तेजे जे फिक्स वाले क्वेश्चन आहा थंय आनी व्हेरायटी ना एलिमिनेशन मेथडान व्हडली व्हेरायटी ना तुमकां तो एलिमिनेशन मेथड नंबरान दिवचोच पडटलो काय ऑप्शन ना ना तर ग्राफान कितें व्हेरायटी करूं शकता ना तर पॉलिनोमियल कितें व्हेरायटी करूं शकता हांगा व्हेरायटी खंय करूं शकता डिफिकल्ट प्रॉब्लेम खंय घालूं शकता तुमकां सरफेस एरिया वॉल्यूम एरिया रिलेटेड सर्कल ह्यो एक चॅप्टर ह्या प्रॉब्लेमान डिफरंट कितें कॉन्सेप्ट घालून तुमकां पेपर मातसो टफ करूं शकता बाकीच्या हेच्यान तुमकां पास करपा खातीर सगळें इजी घालूं शकता स्टॅटिस्टिक्स आनी खूब आहा ते आनी कसलो प्रोबेबिलिटी आनी कसलो आमचो ह्यो वालो चॅप्टर कळलो तर तुमकां सांग ट्रिग्नोमेट्री सो हेजे इजी घालूंक शकता तुमकां बट हांगा डिफिकल्ट करूंक शकता सो फॉर दॅट आय एम ट्रायंग टू कवर मातशे ट्रिकियर वाले प्रॉब्लम कळ्ळें येस हो इजी आसा तेच म्हणटा न्हू इजी तरी आसा येस इजी इट इज सो वी आर डन वीथ दीस नो हे जालें एवरीबडी लेट्स टेक नेक्स्ट वन कमन बेगीन या पळोवया आमकां 9 जाय दिली लेट्स ट्राय टू फिनिश दीस अप कमन मागीर आमकां क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन करपाक जाय एज मच एज पॉसिबल फास्ट इजी आसा तो रोकडो जातलो लेट्स टेक नेक्स्ट वन एवरीबडी लेट्स टेक दीस प्रॉब्लम क्वेश्चन कमन डायरेक्टली तुमकां फिगर दिता हांव फिगर एनीवे दिला आसतलो चेक कितें दिलें तुमकां असो हांगा सर्कल आहा भितर द सर्कल इनसायड सेंटर आहा आनी हांगा अशें आनी अशें दिला हे दिला येस हांगा ओ आसा हांगा क्यू आसा हांगा आर आसा हांगा ए बी सी आसा 6 सेंटीमीटर हांगा 8 सेंटीमीटर आहा ओके check the diagram जे तुमकां हांगा आरूय जॉइन केलेलो आहा what is given to you it is told to you that triangle ABC is right angled at it is right angled at B it is right angled at B आणि कितें दिला BC such that BC is 6 BC 6 तुमकां दिलो आणि AB 8 दिलो you have to find the radius of the circle what do you have to find radius of circle okay you have to find the radius of the circle come on let's go you have to find the radius of the circle okay you have to try to find the radius of the circle come on easy find the radius of the circle म्हणजे कितें ह्यो सर्कल हा ह्यो लायन एक तर ह्यो नाले तेन्ना कोणूय फाइंड करपाक come on think how will you do now everybody think very carefully कशें करतले how do you do this you have to find the radius of the circle check everybody if you notice easily atalo there रे संजू खंय गेलो रे संजू तो ना मरे गायब जालो कितें असा काय ना आय टेल यू खबर ना काय ना तो कालच्या क्लासीनूय येयल्लो 9th आख्ख्या क्लासीन रावला तो ओके आणि तेणी खूब आन्सराय दिली मदीं बी आन्सराय दिली बिलीव इट ऑर नॉट तेणी आन्सराय दिली ओके दीस इज अ फनी फॅक्ट आन्सराय दिली तेणी 9th आन्सराय दिली आयज 10th क्लासीन ना एवरी क्लासीक आसता तो म्हाज्या for some reason he really likes my nose for some reason okay he really likes my nose आता I don't know it's a good thing or bad thing okay ते तुम्ही पोवन घेयात कोण anybody getting the answer anybody कितें करया हांगा come on think everybody yes anybody radius is 2 okay one student got the answer already radius 2 म्हणून yes check कितें करया आमी remember आमकां find you have to find the radius of the circle your radius of the circle if you notice very carefully आमकां easily answer कॉपी कसो आमकां सांगला ABC right angle म्हळ्यार हांगा 90 degree check everybody knows that this is 90 degree yes आता your 90 degree not only that this is radius this is tangent your radius are tangent and radius मध्ये angle इतको हांगा 90 आणि हांगा 90 म्हळ्यार कितें जातलो आणि ऑब्वियसली तीन एंगल 90 जाल्यार लास्ट वाल्याकूय जावचे पडटलो ऑटोमॅटिकली 90 जावचेच पडटले काय ऑप्शन आहा तेका चारूय 90 आता चारूय 90 जाल्यार कितें जातले एवरीबडी चेक will it not be a rectangle or a square आसूं मागीर पळोवया बट रेक्टेंगल तरी जातलो मिनिमम रेक्टेंगल तरी जातलो रेक्टेंगल म्हळ्यार कितें इफ कल्ले हेजे चार एंगल 90 डिग्री जाता तो मिनिमम रेक्टेंगल तरी जाता आता इफ तो रेक्टेंगल आसा एटलीस्ट ऑपोजिट साइड तरी इक्वल जाता सगळी साइड इक्वल जाता काय मागीर पळोवया बट एटलीस्ट ऑपोजिट साइड तरी इक्वल जाता फ्रॉम दॅट आय कॅन से इफ म्हाका रेडियस फाइंड करपाक जाय इफ आय वांट दिस लेंथ आय कॅन इजिली फाइंड दिस लेंथ ही लेंथ आणि ही लेंथ सेम टू सेम ह्यो लेंथ आणि ह्यो लेंथ सेम टू सेम बेसिकली म्हाका जस्ट फाइंड करपाक जाय ह्यो लेंथ कसो तरी एका एक्स म्हणून गेल्या बेसिकली ह्यो एक्स फायंड करपा जाय ह्यो आनी ह्यो लायन सेमूच आसतो बेसिकली आमकां रेडियस गावलो आतां एका कशी फायंड करया थिंक एवरीबडी हाउ डू यू फायंड दीस कशी फायंड एक्चुअली इफ यू नोटीस जस्ट लास्ट टायम्स प्रॉब्लम न्हू ह्यो आमी केल्लो याद असो आत्तां केल्लो हे दिलेले एका एकल्या एक्स घेतलो मागीर हेसून एका एक्स घेतलो हे अशें करून सगळें फायंड केलें न्हू सेम थिंग इट इज पण हांगा प्रॉब्लम कितें आसा एक दिला दोन दिला तिसरो दिवंक ना वयलो वालो कितें जातलो आतां एनीबडी कॅन टेल मी एसी कितें जातलो एसी दिवंक ना कितको जातलो एसी हाउ मच विल बी एसी बी चेक अरे अरे कमान एसी कितको जातलो एसी व्हाट विल एसी बी AC will be 10, yes, correct. JK King, I have forgotten JK King getting correct answer. Yes, it will be 10. Using Pythagoras theorem, तुमका answer गावतलो हांगा 10 गावतलो. Everybody agrees हांगा 10 जातलो. Okay, this is 10. आता ह्यो 10 जालो. Okay, now we can use that formula again. एका x जाल्यार ह्यो x जाल्यार कितें जातलो? ह्यो एका धरया आमी एका x धरया. Okay, if this is x, this is what? 8 minus x. If this is 8 minus x, this is also 8 minus x. This is 8 minus x. एका किती आतले? This will be 10 minus of 8 minus. What is the answer of 10 minus 8 minus x? Check what do we get? 10 minus 8 plus x. 10 minus 8 is what? 2 plus x. What is this? 2 plus x. anga 2 plus x जाल्यार हांगा किती आतलो? 2 plus. I'm just using same idea of the last problem. हांगा x घेतलो जाल्यार हांगा x घेतलो जाल्यार हांगा 8 minus x. हांगा 8 minus x जाल्यार हांगा 8 minus x. हांगा 8 minus x जाल्यार हांगा 2 plus x. हांगा 2 plus x हांगा 2 plus. Now we'll combine this. So I can write x plus 2 plus x equal to कितको? Total 6. कोण जालो आमचो प्रॉब्लेम. What is the answer of x? x म्हणजे ह्योच जातलो आमकां. ह्यो गावलो म्हणजे ह्यो गावलो. सगळे प्रॉब्लेम. Yes, easy one it is. What is the answer? Check. We are getting the answer, everybody. Are we getting the answer? Final answer. किती मेळ्ळो ह्यो? x and x 2x. 2 येतलो 6 minus 2. 2x equal to 4. So x is 2. What is x that we have taken? We have taken x. BQ we have taken as 2 centimeters. So BQ2 automatically किती जातलो? ह्यो आनी ह्यो सेमूच जातलो न्हू और ह्यो आनी ह्यो सेमूच जातलो. हांगा लेटर दिवंक ना आमकां कितें दिल्लो लेटर बरोवंक ना तो लेटर काय दिवंक ना. इफ यू कॅन रायट अ लेटर आर ऑलरेडी घेतला कितें घेऊया एम म्हणून घेऊया. ओके OM BQ is equal to OM which is equal to how much? Both are what? How much? 2 cm. दोन्ही इक्वल म्हटल्यार 2 cm झाले. Therefore, what I can write? Radius of the circle is 2 cm is my answer. Okay, check the answer. 2 cm we getting. Everybody, yes, 2 is the answer. Galo. 2 cm is the answer we get. Yes, we got this. Okay. So that's what why there was no yes. माझ्या questionानू there is no MCQ in my question. So we can put if there is no MCQ we can just put any letter. Okay, so any alphabet in the order we can just put any alphabet, any letter. It doesn't matter, everybody. Okay, let's take next one. No, we are done with this also. Okay, थोड़ी problem होल्ला. So that we can finish this part. Almost we are done. Yes, let's solve this. Let's get a simple one now. Go easy, come on. Actually, this was come for MCQ. Easy it is. Let's write this. Let's write length of tangent from point is 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. Length of tangent of from point A. Okay, सारखं पडता from point A at distance 5 centimeter from the center is 4 centimeter. Find radius. Okay, this is a very simple level problem. For level 2 it might come very simple problem. Come on, fast answer. MCQ type problem it is. Should get a answer very fast. Come on. Come on, come on. Let's go, let's go. Yes, yes, come on, get the answer. Easily you'll get the answer. Come on. Very easy one. Answer is 3. Yes. Sir, आम्ही पायथागोरस एक्झाम बोलू शकता. I would suggest everybody your even though very simple, it is for 2 marks or 3 marks problem. Better you write the steps, okay? Because there are marks for the steps. Right, very simple. Hardly in 2 3 steps you'll get the answer. So it's better to write the steps. Okay? Even if I know म्हाका पोवन कळटा पायथागोरस ट्रायंगल पोवन कळटा 3 4 5 म्हणून जाता पायथागोरस इजिली पायथागोरस ते प्लेस तकले ना म्हणून. But you have to write the statement. If it was MCQ, there is no problem. But write the statement. Okay? Yes? Everybody done? Yes, we are done with this also. Everybody call an answer. It's very simple it is. No tangent dila. Tangent is how much? Tangent from point A at a distance 5 centimeter from the center. Point A 5 centimeter from the center is 4 centimeter, and you have to find the radius. Radius hanga ha. Easily you can use Pythagoras theorem. This is 90 degree. Again Pythagoras theorem, you will get radius to answer 3 centimeter. Am I right? 3 centimeter is the answer. Correct? Am I getting 3 centimeter? Everybody getting 3 centimeter, no? Yes? Check. Okay. This is also done then, everybody. Yeah, we'll take this one. Let's take next one. You're interesting, huh? Okay, can come for the exam also. So check. This is a question. This is a question given, and what is given? A, B, C, D, and here it is given P, Q, R, S, P, Q, R, S, and you have to find proof. No finding now, proof. Okay, proof dila. AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. Come on, let's do this, everybody. You have to prove. Check, look at the figure very carefully. Circle is there, circle is hiding. What is given? A quadrilateral is drawn touching 4 points of the circle, and you have to prove this. You prove करपाक जाय. Proof हा. आता, yes, let's go. Yes, repeated question here. You repeated in the sense proof. It is a little repeated in the sense you have to use the same idea. Already we have done this type of problem, everybody. Same idea it is, but little proving part is there. That's why I wanted to take this problem. Come on, let's take this. Come on, use theorem 2. Correct. Theorem 2 you have to use. PDF and ASA. Yes. That's why I'm solving some difficult question. I was told today by many students to take some questions of the PDF also, which are difficult one. So I'm trying to solve that. If you also have any more doubt in that PDF, directly do message me. Everybody directly try to message. Okay, the PDF. Suppose any question you're not getting answer and all, directly you can message me and I can get you the answer soon. Or if you want me to take it in the live class, that also we can do. No problem. No, but tell me suggestions. Come on, let's go, let's go. And then there's the proof. Yes, it is. Okay. What can we do, everybody? Using the property of tangents are equal, correct? Since there are two tangents for all the circles, we'll just write about tangent. How many tangents are right? I can write what? First of all, let's start over here, no? AS, I can write from the figure. AS equal to what? AP, everybody agrees? AS equal to AP. Then I can write this one. BP, BP equal to BQ. Then I can write CQ equal to CR, CQ equal to CR. Then I write finally DR equal to DS, DR equal to DS. Check. I written all the four possibilities. This equal, this equal, this equal, this equal. All four possibilities I have written equal. Now we have to just join them in such a way so that we should get back this. Okay, check what we want. We need AB. We need full AB in the first part. AB, how from where? From out of all this, who can give you AB together? Just check. AP and BP will join to give. Where is AP? AP is right over here. And BP, where it is? BP is right over here. Just check. AP and BP can give you together. So we need to bring them together on one side. So what we'll do? I'll just write this one as reverse. Then nothing harm in writing. I can write this BQ is equal to BP. Okay, there's no problem in doing this. You can just reverse it. Also, you want which one? CR and DR. CR and DR we want together. So this one also I'll write reverse. This one I'll write reverse. DS and DR. Okay, we can just write reverse. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 4 things. We'll do add 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's add all of them together. Add. How will you add equation? You do LHS plus LHS, RHS plus RHS. Let's do LHS of everybody. This plus this plus this plus this. Let's add them all in a line. So what will get? AS plus BQ plus CQ plus DS. And on RHS side, what will get? All this on the RHS side. AP plus BP plus CR plus DR. Just check. I've written. I just added them. LHS plus LHS, RHS plus RHS. Now we have to just almost we are done. Everybody. Some people who know this will come to know it's almost done. Okay. Add LHS, RHS separately. Correct. So what do we want? We need AB. From who can give us AB, by the way? Who can give us AB? AB, who can give us? AP and BP. Where is AP and BP? AP and BP is right over here. This will combine and become what? AB. Just check. Am I right? AP and BP will combine to become AB. Then CR and DR. What is CR and DR? Where is CR and DR? CR and DR, they all become what? CD. Just check. It becomes CD. Then over here, check everybody. AS and DS. What is the answer of AS and DS? What is the answer of AS and DS? Is it not AD, entire AD? So you get AD. Plus, what is the answer of BQ and CQ? These two added together with BQ and CQ. BQ and CQ together will give what? Full BC. So we'll get full BC. Check. I think we got now what you wanted. Everybody just check. We are getting what you want. What you wanted. Right. Everybody getting? Yes. So one got only one more step. Yes. Correct. Yes. Everybody understood? Yes. Done. Very easy one it was. Just you have to write about everything and add them in the right places so that if I not turn this one term will be over there, then you have to bring it to become minus. And so I just looked at the figure and I adjusted them before only so that directly they add up and give me the answer. Okay. So we got this answer, everybody, right? So almost we are done with this chapter. Okay. Small problems are there of this chapter that we have completed now. It is 9 o'clock. Within 1 hour I had to finish this chapter. So we have done almost all the chapters. Very simple chapter it is. Like this only you will get for the exam. Still, if you have any more questions, you definitely do bring it to my notice from Instagram or WhatsApp, wherever whatever you can contact me. Try to convince me, sir, this problem I want to take in the live class, or you want me to share the solution there itself. There is no problem. I will give you the solution. Or if you want me to do it in live class to teach properly and all, that also will definitely have more live classes of this when we do revision of circle. That time I can bring that problem up. Okay. So make a notice of this. So right now I think we are done with this, no? Yes, quadratic career, correct. Should we go for quadratic, everybody? Everybody is clear with this chapter? Yes, let's do quadratic equation. I also will do quadratic equation now. Yes, time is less and chapters are more. Tomorrow's class we'll try to take good amount of chapters because today's class I'm taking very short. At least tomorrow's class we'll try to take a little longer one and we'll try to finish major parts. Tomorrow we'll try to finish as much as major parts as possible. Whichever remaining, I was thinking about trigonometry, application of trigonometry. We'll try to take together. Yes, what do you say? You can tell me here in the comments also. Yes. Clear, everybody? Triangles, guys, sir. Yes, we can take triangles. That's a good one. Triangles we can take. I'll not take riders though, because riders we'll see. We'll try to take in a separate class only, proper riders and identities. But triangles, basic other problems we'll try to finish. Okay. Uh, Sir, पोय चल असा quadratic करपाक. होय. Sir, पोय छान असा quadratic. Correct. Let's do everybody. Let's go, no? Let's do quadratic equation now. तर व्हडले लेसन लास्ट दिसा घे. व्हडले लेसन जाले मरे मग आम्ही खूपशे ऑलरेडी काबार केला. लिनियर इक्वेशन झालो आमचो, सॉरी नॉट लिनियर इक्वेशन झालो, पॉलिनॉमियल झालो, रियल नंबर झालो. So many we have to finish actually. Now just व्हडले उरले आमचे. That you have to finish. We'll try to finish them soon. Okay. Yes, before even your revision class of the maths paper, I will definitely try to finish all the chapters. This is what I have planned for myself, for sure. This is my aim. That is my goal. That I have told the student when I was thinking of taking the live class, they told me, "Sir, to examचे पयली सगळो portion सोपय आणि during the last 2 days, do only the short one good questions for revision. That only you do. Such type of question they should come in the paper. Already I have in the MC in this PDF I have tried to looking at that only, try to thinking about blueprint and everything, factors and all, what question come, that only thinking only I put the questions. So from that also we'll try to figure out the good ones and we'll try to solve in the last day. So don't miss on the last day, that we'll try today. Before that, let's try to finish all the chapters. So let's go everybody. Let's not waste more time. Quadratic equation. Okay, our next chapter is quadratic equation. Important chapter, easy chapter, I would say. Important and easy. Everybody should get all the marks of this chapter. Both level 1 students and level 2 students should get the full marks of this chapter, right? Yes. Let's go, everybody. Now, total how many marks? 8 marks. Okay, total 8 marks we get of this chapter. Out of 8 marks, how are the 8 marks divided? For level 1 and level 2, it is completely separate now. I'll write it separately. Okay, your level 1 and your level 2. Okay, if you are level 1 and level 2, check accordingly how you will get question. For level 1, you will get one MCQ, directly one MCQ. That is on what you will get: nature of roots, discriminant, nature of roots, that only, and or root, finding roots, or one of the roots, substituting roots. These are the only questions can come for MCQ. We'll do that right now here. MCQ. Then 3 marks. You'll get an OR question. Either you can do quadratic or you can do what? You can do quadratic formula, no? Yes, you can do quadratic formula. There's an OR over here for you. Okay? Yes, everybody is aware with this. And directly 4 marks. You will get sure short word problem. Okay, there is no alternative for this. Word problem from quadratic is a sure short question for you in the exam. It is going to come for 4 marks. There is no running away from it. You have to learn the word problem. From level 1 students have to learn the word problem for quadratic equation. Okay. Out of now for linear equation, I told you in the last class when we did linear equation, you can get a graph. Chances are very less of getting graph for level 1. Level 2 might get graph, more chances, but still you never know. Sometimes it happens. Okay, you never know that you might even, people are praying that they get the graph. Okay, I also would want that you get a graph. Graph you get means easy 4 marks it is, but chances are very, don't rely on it. Yes, learn the word problems of linear equation. So word problem quadratic equation is there. Then 2 marks for level 2, you will get 2 MCQs. Level 2 get 2 you will get 2 MCQs, and very easy, 3 marks directly factorization you will get. 3 marks factorization, 3 marks quadratic. See how easy it is for level 2 now over here. Level 2 gets 2 MCQs, 3 marks factorization, direct compulsory question. There is no OR over here. 3 marks factorization, 3 marks. Total 2, 3, 3. Total how many? 8 marks. Here 1, 3, 4, 8 marks. Everybody understood the pattern? This is the way you have to study. Yes? Let's go, everybody. Yes, we are done with this, no? Yeah, do everything. Yes, we want to try to do everything. Yes. Let's start with MCQs. MCQs are very easy types. There is very few types of MCQs. There is just discriminant and all, nature of the root. We'll do MCQs for both of them. Level 1 and level 2. We'll do MCQs first. Let's start with MCQ. Easy types MCQs will start. Yeah. You will get this answer very fast. Come on. Very easy one. Check if one of root of, I'll use quadratic equation short form in all my problems. 2x square plus kx minus 6 equal to 0 is 2. You have to find the value of k. Come on, we have done this during the polynomial time. Come on, get this answer. Very easy one. You have to get the answer of this. One of the root of quadratic equation is so and so. Is you have to find the value of k. Come on. Try to find the value of k. Yes. Sir, science class केन्ना sir? घरी घेऊया मरे science class. Science तुमकां कितके दिसा? 4 दीस गावता न्हू for science. How many days you get for science during your board exam time? I think you get 4 days for science. So I think we can do that during time, no? Yes, Samay says hi. Yes, welcome to the class. I thought JK King was Samay. All the time I thought JK King was Samay. JK, then who is JK King? JK King. Who is JK King though? Yes, can JK King tell his name? No, I don't know. His or her name. Who is JK King? I'm his friend. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. So finally, Samay got time for the class. Welcome to the class. Okay, let's get the answer. Come on, answer, everybody. Let's go. Let's go. What is the answer? K to answer. Everybody got? What is the answer? 1, -1, 7. Different number we are getting. My name is Satvik. Yeah, yeah. Okay. -1 is the answer. No? Very simple one. What is the answer? 2x square. What is the given? Root. What do you mean of root? What do you mean of root of quadratic? When you substitute equal to x, you should get back 0. So basically, answer of you'll put this 2 in place of x. 2 square k times 2 minus 6 equal to 0. From this you will get k to answer 4. 2k minus 6 equal to 0. So 2k 4 minus 6 is minus 2. So 2k is equal to 2. So k is equal to 1. Is it 1? Everybody just check. Answer should come 1, no? Not -1. People are saying -1. So it should come 1. Just check. Yes, 1 it is, right? 1 it is? Yeah, 1 is my answer, right? K equal to 1. Just check. Everybody getting k equal to 1? Yes? 4 multiplied by 2. Okay, 4 multiplied by 2, right. This is 8. 2 square is 4, 4 into 2, 8. Yes, overlooked it. 8 minus 2 will get over here plus. So here will get minus and here will check. -1 is the answer, huh? -1. Right. -1 is the answer. Sanju, correct answer. It is -1, not 1. Okay. Just check. Yes, everybody. We are done with this, no? Take the next one. Come on. Take the next one. I hope everybody has copied this. Those who don't have, it's there in the PDF. If still everybody not having just copy from there. Okay. Let's take next one. Come on. Next easy this thing. The discriminant of x square minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0 is dash. Come on, let's go. Easy one. You find the discriminant only. Come on. Let's go very fast. Yes, let's get the discriminant. Find the discriminant of this formula. What is discriminant formula now? D is what? B square minus 4ac. Check. This is your this thing formula for discriminant. Come on, easy one it is. Very fast you should get an answer. Discriminant 12 or root 12. See, somebody saying root 12. We are not doing quadratic formula method. So we are not applying only root over here. It is just this one only. B square minus 4ac only. Okay, 12 it is, right? Easy one it is. 12 it is. What is B? B is minus 4 square. 4 times A is what? 1. And C times C is what? Again 1. What is the answer? 16 minus 4, which is it 12? Just check. 12 we get, no? 12 is the answer. Write the next one. The nature of roots of 2x square minus x plus 5 equal to 0 is dash. Okay. Now you have to write the nature of the root. Remember nature of the root. it depends on the discriminant. No, you can get three possible values of discriminant. Either you can get greater than 0, equal to 0, or less than 0. Greater than 0 means what? Positive number. Equal to 0 means not negative. Less than 0 means negative number. If it is greater than 0, yes, what do we call it? What type of roots we get if it is greater than 0? What type of roots when we it is greater than 0? It is real and distinct. Real and distinct. Then equal to 0 means what? Real and not distinct, it is equal. And less than 0 means what? Not real. Okay, just check everybody, not real. These are the three possibility. All you have to do is just find what? Just find the discriminant, check if it is greater than 0 means positive, negative, or 0. Based on that we decide what kind of nature of the root it is. Okay, so let's get the discriminant. Come on, let's get the discriminant. What do you get answer of discriminant? Everybody get discriminant. How much? What is discriminant first of all? Yes, Satvi got the discriminant. It is minus 39. Anybody else got discriminant? Minus 39. Is it? Yes. Minus 39 it is. No, yes. Minus 39 it is. So we'll get answer discriminant minus 39. And since it is negative, therefore I can write over here. What is the answer? Not real. My answer is not real. Just check. Answer is not real. Yes. Yes. Not real. We get the answer. Let's take second one. Same one, same type. One more we'll do before you go to the next one. Let's take next question. Nature of the roots of. Let's take second question. Nature of the roots of, do this everybody, x square plus 8x plus 40 equal to 0. Come on, let's go. Just do same thing. Find the nature of roots for this one. Shreyas says, sir, give shout out. Shout out to whom and why? Shout out. Shreyas Gaming. Come on, let's go. Real or not real? 86, 96, different answer. कितें करपाक जाय? डिस्क्रिमिनंट फायंड करपाक जाय. डिस्क्रिमिनंट म्हणून यो, डिस्क्रिमिनंट म्हणून आसता फायंड करपाक. डिस्क्रिमिनंट फॉर्मुला यो, b square minus 4 is. Use this formula, get the discriminant, check if it is greater than 0, equal to 0, less than 0, then decide your this one, this one, this one, this one. That one only you do. Come on. Sir, फाल्या which lesson? Yes, you all suggest everybody. You can suggest in the comments what a lesson will take. I have not decided what lesson for tomorrow. We'll try to take a longer one. Maybe we'll start early also. Tomorrow we'll try to start early, but we'll try to take good amount. Let's do progress, because I remember Friday your exam starts. No, Friday English paper, so Thursday will not be attending any class. I think Wednesday also will not be attending any class. Yes, Wednesday. Let me ask everybody: do you think taking maths live on Wednesday is a good idea or bad idea? Can we take? Is it possible? I'll just ask generally everybody. Yes, what is your take? Are you able to cover up English so much that you Wednesdays evening live for maths is okay for you? Yes. For I'm asking this for Wednesday, okay? I'm asking for Wednesday. Should we take a live class for maths on Wednesday evening? Not Thursday. Thursday definitely not. Nobody will stop you from studying English on Thursday. Yes. What about Wednesday? I'm asking about Wednesday evening. Or कोणाचे इतके इंग्लिश अजूनही some people say no, my students only tell me, sir, अजून इंग्लिश आणि हातूय लावूंक ना म्हणून, इंग्लिशाक हातूय लावूंक ना म्हणून, like they say. Okay, so they tell like that. सर आम्ही इंग्लिश कांयच करूंक ना म्हणून अजूनही. आय फील सो इंग्लिश इतको इझी आहा. आय थिंक जावपाक जाय इंग्लिश. अकॉर्डिंग टू मी, आय थिंक आय शूड टेक. अकॉर्डिंग टू मी, आय फील सो, बिकॉज anyway I just take class in the evening. I take 6 hours. You have the full Wednesday to study English. Only for just 2 hours, I would say just take a break for English little bit and attend just 2 or 3 hours of maths. After the class, again just keep the maths aside and go for English. Okay. So this is what I am thinking. I have done with English. Sanju is the only one. I think he is studying 19 also. Last year, last class also he was there. Okay, we get the answer. Okay, what is the discriminant, everybody? We are getting discriminant b square minus 4ac. Check b square kitko 8 square minus 4 into 1 into 40. 8 square is 64. 4 into 40 is 80. Right? This is what we get. And then what is the answer then? Yes, check what is the answer. 4 into 40. Sorry. 4 into 40 is 160. No, from 160, if you remove 64, how much we get? From 160, if you remove 64, how much you get? Minus 96. Am I right? Minus 96. Again, we are getting negative answer. Minus 96, which is what? Less than 0. Therefore, not real. Remember, you can get a 0 as the answer. I know. You can get a 0 as the answer. You can get a 0 as the answer. Keep in your mind, everybody. Okay. One more we'll do under this. Almost last one we are finishing this MCQs. Okay. K if find k if kx square minus 6x plus 4 equal to 0 has equal roots. Has equal roots. Come on. Let's do this, everybody. You have to find the value of k if kx square minus 6x plus 4 equal to 0 has equal roots. Now, this is a very interesting one. Let's see how many are able to solve this. Come on. Go on, let's go. Okay, just check. I'm getting this interesting question from Saish. That is, sir, तुझे science PDF question केल्यार पुरो. Okay, see everybody, this science question and math question, of course, दोनों I'll talk about. Many people ask me, are they actually sure shot? Actually sure shot in the sense what? कितें तुवें गोवा वडून हुडकी मारला, कितें चोरी केला, पेपर चोरी बीन केला, तेजे क्वेश्चन घातला and all. This is the question. It is asked. Okay. Logically, if माझ्याकडे chances आलेला, I will not try to do that because remember it is your exam. You should get the marks on your own first of all. आणि the simple reason is those questions that are put, those are purely based on the blueprint, and it is everywhere like that only. Okay, whoever is claiming that he has put the short or that put short, is it exactly that the same question will come? That is actually the false thing, I would say. Okay, exactly same question. Sure shot as in what? Sure shot type of question. Meaning, if you solve this question, if they change any numbers in that, you are able to answer that question. That is a true sure shot. That is the blueprint of the paper itself is given based on the analysis and looking past your question. Everything, getting everything right. The person has to be that much capable that he must be teaching this 10 standard for at least 4 to minimum 5 years. So he has that much experience. He can guaranteedly assure the student that this is important for the exam. That much caliber should be there. And of course, I have that. I can say that. Okay, I'll do that. So I have that. So that's the reason, everybody. Yes, it is. My only suggestion is don't blindly rely on it. Some people say just इतक्यात करून वाचू. This is actually a wrong concept, I would say. In a way, what will happen? You are just trying to save yourself trouble, I would say. Don't run from the trouble. Don't run from your difficulties. I would say try to face it. My suggestion is do the PDF first. That is definitely important. A PDF, a student who has not done anything so far, if he does PDF, he can get minimum, according to the minimum cross more than 60 or 70% of marks. That is a definite guarantee. But he cannot get 100 marks. Out of full, he cannot get 100 marks. Okay. He cannot get full 100 marks because definitely it is your luck. Yes, it could even happen that tomorrow those papers might have completely changed the entire blueprint only. What happens, right? So it should be like your life should not be completely dependent on somebody else. After finishing the PDF, try to do the PDF first because they are important. They are actually important. By the way, I'm not saying against it. They are important, but saved some time to do some other question, solve some paper. Those questions are those PDF. This PDF is question wise, chapter wise. Okay, unless and until you don't solve a proper full paper, take from a preparatory, take from the anywhere. Model paper also, don't solve model paper because those questions will definitely not come. Take from preparatory. If you have preparatory, any Rajan's preparatory, so many preparatories are there. Take from preparatory or your tuition center or school or anywhere. If you don't have even have that also, ask me. I'll send a PDF. I have given so many mock tests for the our classes. So one of them I'll send you. So get until you don't solve the entire paper properly, you don't get that feeling of getting the solution. Keep that in mind. Yes. So that is my suggestion, everybody. Just keep that in mind. Okay, so do the PDF first, but keep time. Try to finish the PDF as fast as possible, but keep time for doing your self study little bit aside. Yes, that is the suggestion. Come on, answer everybody. Come on. 9 upon 4. Getting the answer. Now, equal root means what? What do you mean of this equal root? Equal root means discriminant what? 0, no? So let's find discriminant. Discriminant is what? B square minus 4AC. What is discriminant? 0. B square. B square is how much? What is B? Minus 6 square. Minus 4 into A is, what is A now? A is K, no? And C is 4. Like this will get. So 0 is equal to 36. 4 4 is minus 16K. We'll take minus 16 over here. 16K is equal to 36. So K is equal to 36 upon 16. What is the answer? We'll divide by 4, no? So K is 9 upon 4. Come on. Check. 9 upon 4 is it, right? Sir, science खंयच्या शिकल्या बरे? Textbook, tuition notes, digest. Okay. See everybody, I'll tell you. The people who are toppers in the sense what? Those who are aiming to cross 95%, 90%. For them, the best is the textbook always. Keep in your mind. Okay. Textbook is always the best. If you know your entire textbook, you can answer any question. Just question types little bit here and there. You refer. Just read it. But if you know the corner of your textbook also, no, then that is all science paper. Keep that in mind. Yes. So try to study the textbook. If your aim is to get 95%, 90%, if you're already up to that mark, your prelim marks are cross 70% or not. But if your prelim marks are not up to that mark, means like if you just pass or you're into that 50% bracket, my suggestion, try to refer. First finish preparatories. First, then you go for the digest question. Then you try to solve some PDF that I have given you. Then if you get time after all this, then you can go through textbooks. Okay. Set the priorities in good order. Why? Because time is less. That is the only problem. Time is less to do everything, but enough time is there to do lot many things. Keep that in mind. That is my suggestion for you, all of you. Okay. So we are done with this. No, 9 upon 4 we get, everybody. Just check. 9 upon 4 we get answer. Yes. So we are done with the MCQs of this. We are done with the MCQs of this. Now let's quickly take the problem of factorization and a quadratic formula. So let's take factorization. Now next part is what? 3 marks factorization we need. This you already know, everybody. We will not solve much more because when we do word problem of this, in that word problem also we are going to do anyway factorization we are going to do. So let's do factorization. Come on. Let's go factorization under this. Let's take first problem. 2x square minus 6x. Okay, I'll give you a good one. Otherwise, you'll not get the answer, no? Okay, let's do factorization. From this thing only, I'll give you 4x square plus 21x plus 20 equal to 0. Come on, let's go under this. 4x square plus 21x plus 20 equal to 0. Check the answer of this. Come on, everybody knows factorization. I hope everybody knows factorization at least. Let's quickly solve this and go for the directly word problem. Come on. सर तू PDF लेट दिला मरे. अरे कितें करया? म्हाका 9थाची आसली. तेच्या पयलीं म्हाका 12थाची आसली. ते 12 करा तुमची PDF तरी फास्ट जाली. 12 करता करता शी 3 सब्जेक्ट्स इमेजिन 4 सब्जेक्ट्स PDF टोटल 4 सब्जेक्ट्स PDF. Physics, chemistry, maths, bio. We provided PDF for the 4 subjects. That to full years. Total 15 subject there were 15 chapters. So the workload was too much during that time. So that's why I got delayed by that. And then after that we had to do 9th standard suddenly because their exam was there. And then we went for last 10th standard. Okay. But I'm sure that it will definitely help you. Come on, everybody get the answer. Come on, do factorization quickly. Come on, let's go. Getting answer. Yes, x equal to what? What are the factors? Check what are the factors. 4 and 20 you have to multiply. No, 420 is how much it is? 80. We need factors of 80 who can give you by addition or subtraction should give you 21. I think 16 5 are no, very easy. 16 and 5. If we add 16 and 5, we'll get answer 21. Very easy one. 16 5 are 80. 16 plus 5 will give you 21. So I'll write 4x square plus 16x plus 5x plus 20 equal to 0. Am I right? Just check. Is this correct one? Let's take common under this. Whom can I take common? 4x common, no? 4x common, x plus 4. And here I'll take who common? 5 common. So if I take 5 common, you'll get x plus 4 equal to 0. So 4x and 5 will give you 4x plus 5, x plus 4 equal to 0. So 4x plus 5 equal to 0 and x plus 4 equal to 0. So what is x over here? 5 will go over there, minus 5 upon 4 and x is minus 4. Check, these are my two answers. Everybody getting this? Everybody getting this? Just check. X is what? Minus 5 by 4 and minus 4. Right? Minus 5 by 4 and minus 4. Meta. Now remember, if anybody solves till this is, suppose this is 3 marks. This is 3 marks question. If you do this much, you will get only how much? 2.5 till over here. Tell me where is the half mark missing? Anybody can tell me where is the half mark missing? Where is the half mark missing? Why we will not get a half mark over here? Everybody. Can you tell me? Why we will not get a half mark? Why we will lose the half mark over here? I want to see how many people are aware. Yes? Yes. Now see the people are saying that's good. At least some people know. Yes? Therefore, last statement, the solution, yes, that you have to write. It is compulsorily you have to write the last statement. So how will you get? Therefore, the roots of equation are what? Minus 5 by 4 and minus 4. Just check, this is my answer. Minus 5 by 4 and minus 4. If you don't write last statement, half mark is 1. Remember, in all the problems of the math paper, always the marks are distributed. Never it is like you get it lower directly 3 marks. Marks are always, there is a distribution of marks for all, even statistics when you solve a mean method and all. Half mark for this, half mark for this, half mark. Even that 4 marks are broken. Keep that in mind. All the marks are broken. So how will you get marks over here? Finding this step. This step gives you half mark. This step gives you half mark. Then compiling them gives you half mark. Then another half mark for you here. Then another half mark. Like this, total up they will give you 3 marks. So every step there are marks. Keep that in mind. Learn, understand the marking system. More you understand the marking system, more easy it is. If anybody has the marking system prelim paper, try to see, check the answer key of the prelim paper. Check the how the marks. Teachers correct the papers like this. For the steps they give the marks. Keep that in mind. So for that reason, don't lose these marks. Okay, Edale. Okay, let's take one more. No, we'll take one more under this. Then we can go for the next part. Take one more under this. Everybody, easy it is. It is 3x square minus x minus 24 equal to 0. Come on, little tougher side I given you now. Little more tougher side I given. Just check. 1 minute Sanju says you are so Mehul Sir downfall, and 1 minute Sanju says you are nice sir. Yes. Come on, everybody get the answer. Anybody getting? Sir, please tell anything important. Social science. social science. Since I made the maths and science PDF, I have gotten so many requests for social science. What do we do? Yes, anybody getting answer? Come on, let's get the answer. Let's finish this part. Everybody, let's finish. Got everybody got the answer? Getting? Anybody getting? Yes. Getting. Check. 3 and 24, no? 324 is how much? 24 3 is how much? Now 48 and 72. Okay, we need 72. That to minus 72 we need. Because there is minus. And we need two numbers. By addition or subtraction, this should give you 72. Multiplication, this should give you 72. How about 8 and 9? 8 9 is 72, right? 8 9 is 72. If you do minus 8 and 9, if you do 8 9 minus, you will get minus 1. We need 1 over here. No, check. Nothing is going to be minus 1. If you do 8 minus 9, you get minus 1, and if you do multiplication, you get minus 72. So we got the factors, no? What is my answer? 3x square. We'll take 9x first. 9x plus 8x minus 24 equal to 0. Let's take common out of this. So what will get? 3x common. We'll get what? X minus 3. And here 8 common. We'll get what? X minus 3 equal to 0. So we will get what? 3x plus 8 and x minus 3 equal to 0. So x is what? Minus 8 by 3 and x is 3. Okay, write the last statement. Okay, I'm not writing right now. The roots of the equation is minus 8 by 3 and 3. Getting 8 by 3 and 3. Everybody clear so far? Right? We get the answer. We're getting so far. We got this, right? Okay, then we are done with this. Now let's go for quadratic formula. Let's finish quadratic formula. Everybody clear with factorization? Very easy. We'll come to under factorization when we do word problem also. So let's take now next part, quadratic formula. Okay, my suggestion for level 1 is try to do factorization, because factorization becomes answer is very fast on factorization. So even if you get option, try to do with factorization, because it is hardly 4 or 5 steps. Within 4 or 5 steps you get the answer, in 3 marks you get. Then you don't have to do quadratic formula. But still, if you had to do, let's take a problem under this, under quadratic formula. Let's take uh, let's write 4x square minus 3x minus 10 equal to 0. Okay, let's do this. Come on, everybody. We'll use quadratic formula now. Let's get the answer by quadratic formula. Come on. Sir, sure short question येतले न्ही for boards. I am totally dependent on notes. Yes. Okay. Is Satvik level 1 or level 2? Yes, let me ask. Satvik is level 1 or level 2? Yes. Sir, I'm going to eat now. Yes, lucky you. 2, sir. Okay. Alright, come on, let's get the answer. Come on, very easy it is. Quadratic formula, very easy. Anybody get? Answer? Yes, discriminant, at least everybody got. What is discriminant? Discriminant. What do you get discriminant? First you will get discriminant, no? Actually you can do together only. Or you can get discriminant. B square minus 4ac. What is b square minus 3 square minus 4 times 4 into minus 10, right? Is 9 minus minus plus 4 for 16 and 10. 160. Check the answer. 169. We get. Remember, getting the discriminant very important. If you don't get a proper discriminant over here, then you will not get a proper answer. You will get answer in root. So remember, discriminant you should get someone that is whose root we can find. It should be a perfect square. Keep that in. 169 is a perfect square. So we are right. If you are not getting root in this part, for especially for level 2 students, if you are not getting under discriminant as a कोणाचा तरी square, if you are not getting, then you might have done some mistake. Mostly, okay, in your exam, mostly such type of problem will be given whose root you can find. Okay, 169th root I can already find. So let's now get the answer. No, x is what? Minus b plus or minus root of discriminant upon 2a. Check, this is my formula. What is minus b? B is already negative, so minus or minus, 2 times minus will come. This minus comes from the formula, this minus comes from the equation, plus or minus root discriminant 169 and 2 multiplied by a. What is a? 4, like this will get. Check, minus minus plus 3 plus or minus root 69 is 13 upon 2 4 the 8, like this will get. So what is my answer? We'll separate this now, no? So x is what? 3 plus 13 upon 8, or x is what? 3 minus 13 upon 8. So x is 3 plus 13 means what? 16 upon 8. 3 minus 13 is minus 10 upon 8. We can cancel now. 8 1 the 8 2 the, so x is 2, or x is here also we can cancel now. 2 5 the 2 4 the, so minus 5 upon 4. Just check, we get the two answer, all right? Okay, for that reason I was trying to tell level should not to attempt this, because it is easy, you will get the answer, but it is lengthy, unnecessary. It is lengthy, so many steps are there, you have to do so much of work unnecessarily. So try to get the answer by factorization for level 1 students. Okay, so we get this answer, no? Yes sir. WhatsApp group banao. Yes, I had a usually idea to do WhatsApp group, but let's see. Okay. Yes, how many people feel actually there should be a WhatsApp group, everybody? Yes, Karpak Dai. I have tried to do other groups, but not WhatsApp group yet. I heard that some people actually do like this WhatsApp group. They get thousands of people without the consent. Without the consent. Okay. Okay. We are done with this, everybody. Yes. So we get the answer of quadratic formula also. Quadratic formula, I'll tell you, for level 2 at least, and even for level 1, it is the easiest 3 marks of the paper. Don't lose the 3 marks. Don't do any silly sign mistakes. Check your paper. You should always get a discriminant whose root you can find. So root 169 is 13. I could find. Root 144 is 12. I can find the answer. Root 121 is 11. I can find the answer. Suppose you are getting like this, root of what? 80. Means somewhere some there is mistake. There is no square. There is a square, but there is not a proper fixed number whose square can give us 80. So there must be some mistake done over here. We're getting 80, root 80 or something as answer. So try to get such kind of answer whose root you can always get as answer. Okay, this is a basic idea over here. Then it's just calculation. Remember the formula: substitute, separate, cancel, write a large statement. झाले 3 marks is the easy 3 marks. Most easiest 3 marks are there. Okay. Okay. So we are done with this, everybody. होय सर, ग्रुप करपाक जाय. Yes, insta नाका. Sir, this question will have option no. Yes, for level 1 there is option. For level 2 there is no option. Level 2 student compulsory will get quadratic formula. Level 1 student will get level 1 student either will be quadratic, or there will be what, factorization. Level 2 will get both factorization and this thing. Okay, clear? Yes. So we are done with this. Okay. So next, now only part remaining in this chapter, that is word problems, everybody. Last part of the chapter is remaining of this chapter, that is word problem. Last but biggest part is remaining, I would say, word problems. Yes. So word problems We'll do now, no? Word problems, everybody? Yes? Yes, ready for the word problems, everybody? Last part of the chapter. Word problems, then we are done. सर हांवें लेवल 2 घेतला, सो त्या पेपरार हे शुअर येतली न्ही हय. Yes. Do word problems, no? So level 2 options in elimination substitution, yes. Level 2 will get options in elimination substitution, correct. Yes, they will get answer. Sir, also how level 2? Prayesh Ram Harvest. Sir, how also how level 2? Okay, everybody. Should we start? Word problems, everybody? What do you want to take in next class? Okay, I'll ask the students. पहले ये word problems क्या था करिया? Yes, word problems is there for only level 1 students, not level 2. How many are level 1 actually? Anybody level 1 over here? कितने हाँ पाया level 1? That will have to ask. Okay, how many are level 1? Just put a comment. How many are actually level 1 over here? Sir, I am level 1 म्हणून. Sir, I am level 2 पण word problems करता. अरे वाह. Yes, how many are level 1? How many are actually level 1 students over here with us? Only 3? Rest all are level 2? हैं. How? Sayesh on fire. Samay is level 1 का level 2? Polgal. Yes. Samay is also level 2. How level 2? Sir, I am level 1. Level 1, level 1, level 1. Level 1. समय बाबू घरा होत आणि नीट हे नाका रे एवढे समय म्हण नका तसे. बरं बोलतो. All right, what do we do? Should we announce a proper level 1 word problems class only and then do? Yes. Difficult म्हणून. Yes. Should we do that? My suggestion is that we should announce a proper level 1 class only for word problems, because word problems are not for level 2 students. Yes, so that we get only level 1 students. My suggestion, everybody. And that too, I feel we should do it during the exam time more better. It will be much better. For level 1 we'll focus. This is my idea. What do you say, everybody? Yes, this is more better, right? Because many level 1 are not there. There are mixture of level 1 and level 2. Yes, so level 1 here. Yes, yes, this is my suggestion, everybody. What do you say? Yes, yes. So for that reason, I feel many people are agreeing. Sir, एक काम करूया, एका क्लासीन रायडर्स, आयडेंटिटीज आणि वर्ड प्रॉब्लेम्स करूया. Yes, correct. I want to keep a class only for level 1 students and try to do only part related to level 1 students. All one part in one class over. I want to announce a level 1 class, especially everything that is exclusively for level 1 riders, identities, word problems. Word problems of last time we parallel word problems are done. So only word problems of quadratic are remaining with us. Yes. सर तुमी खंय शिकयता वीच स्कूल? ओके, हांव स्कुलान पयलीं वयतालो. Right now I have my own coaching center, everybody, in Mapsa. I don't know, there are people from south and different from area people are there, but if you know Mapsa, okay, in Mapsa I have my own coaching center. Okay, it is called EKLAVYA Education Center. There's a page on it, you can just go through the page. We make good content, so if you get time, try to follow it. सर लेवल 1 लागून आमकां सोड नाका. हय हय, डेफिनेटली. Sir, near Xavier's, yes, almost near Xavier's, you have to come down. Okay, very easy, almost close to Xavier's. Okay, Eklavya meaning. Eklavya is the name of a character from a good important character from Mahabharat. Okay, there's a story. You can just type on YouTube. Just go to YouTube. Who was Eklavya from Mahabharat? You will get his story and what thumb cutting and everything you will get. Okay. सर इफ क्वेश्चन येवंक ना जाल्यार क्वेश्चन येतलो रे 100%. हांवें तुका सांगला मरे, हांवें दिलाले येतलो डेफिनेटली. चेक द टुडे नायट. टुमारो नो, आय एम गोना पोस्ट अ रील नो टुमारो. जस्ट सी. in that I will match all the questions from my PDF and 9th standard Goa board paper. You just see, you will see the complete pattern. Everybody cross it. I had done it for 12th standard. Now I have made a new. ID in which old reels are not there, but still I have my old ID. In that old ID, I have removed that reel actually. It's there on my YouTube. If you can go through my YouTube now, everybody. There's on this YouTube only. I have a poster shorts in which you can just check 12th standard maths and my PDF of 12th standard. You can see the matches out of 80 marks. I think I have matched up more than 60 marks. Cumulative. I have counted how many marks I measured. 60 marks is matched up. I feel for 12th standard student in that difficult maths paper getting 60 marks is huge. So I feel I have cracked that. So for that reason, 10th standard is just like if I think if at 12th standard I can do it, 10th standard is like what किती म्हणतात पिची पिची or बारीक बारीक वस्तू. So it's not a बिग थिंग. समय खेळपाक येतलो रे फाल्यां. अरे समय खेळपाक वता नाका अभ्यास कर. साईश साईश मरे. ओके. दत्ता अडयेत. Sir, your do not carry. Okay, everybody. So I feel we should do it in the next class. No, everybody agrees with it. All the level one students present over here try to attend that level one wala class. Level two students can do other part, but level one class will try to give. How about we keep on Wednesday only? This Wednesday we only I was thinking we'll keep level one class more better. Yes, we'll try to keep level. Tomorrow we'll try to do trigonometry. We'll try to finish not identities, trigonometry, other trigonometries and application of trigonometry, and we'll try to take triangles. Very very important class tomorrow, everybody. Tomorrow I'll take for longer time, and we'll try to finish that. Yes, longer time will take. We'll try to finish that important parts of what. Then I think after we finish, then hardly anything remains in the paper. And we are almost completed. We have done arithmetic progression also. Arithmetic progression remaining. Coordinate geometry, almost everything we have done. Only hardly one or two chapters will remain. That will finish during the exam time for sure. Okay. But tomorrow's class is very very important. Trigonometry, application of trigonometry, and triangles. Three chapters you cannot miss at all. Okay. So try to be yes, for tomorrow both level 1 level 2 will take. Yes, level 2 yes, tomorrow's class is there for both level 1 and level 2. I'm not taking riders tomorrow, nor I'm taking identities. So it is for both level 1 and level 2. Entire class, all the other parts except for identities and riders will take all the other parts and finish up those chapters. Yes, timing same. No, we'll try to start early tomorrow and try to be little late also tomorrow. Okay, now I have to go some important works. For that reason I try to close the class. Okay. Yes. सर इंग्लीश केन्ना करपाचें. इंग्लीश सकाळी कर मरे. आख्खो टायम इंग्लीश हा मरे. मागीर वेनसडे मातसो टायम आमी घेवया मरे. थोडोसो टायम रोखडे जातले. तिनूय वस्तू आमकां करपा जाय वेनसडे. वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स, रायडर्स आनी आयडेंटिटीज. Riders will try to do a little bit. Identities will try to put more focus on word problem identity because this can give you more marks. Okay? Dale everybody. Sir, वाद येलो. राम रे प्रयास. कितको बेगिना वाद येता तुका. Yes. One more last before we end today's class, everybody. One more last thing I want to mention. Okay. So remember, 10th board exams are very very important for you. I can all understand that 10th board exams are very very important for all the students. Answering it was important for during my time also, and because I think it is hyped up so much that your admissions are dependent next year. Where you will go, where you will take admission, is dependent on it. And not only that, yet there are some students, I would say, even if you are at 90% or 80%, they would try to get that 92%, 93%. You know that at 90% also your admission is going to happen at certain place and you're going to get selected over there. There's no problem in it. But still you're trying to achieve 92%, which is a good thing actually. There's no problem in it. You should always try to take a high. It's not like that, I'm going to get admission at 90%. So now I'm prelims, I got 90%. Now again I get 90%. No tension, bindas. So that should not be the attitude. You should try to go higher and higher and higher and higher. That is a logic for all of you, whether level 1 or level 2. Okay, but very more important thing is that nothing is, I would say, board exams are very important, but nothing is important than your own life. Everybody, nothing is important than your own life. What's the use of your marks of 10th standard if your life is ruined or your life becomes at stake? Okay, nothing is more important than that. I can tell you, everybody. Yes, I'll tell you what is the use of 10th standard marks. 10th standard marks right now are very very important for you because they are going to decide the future. But after you go to 11th standard, these 10 standard marks, nobody is going to ask you. That is my guarantee. Then you'll be worried about 12th standard marks. But after that 12th standard marks, nobody will ask you. Then you'll worry about a college mark. After that college also nobody asks you. When you actually go for any interview, I'll tell you, hardly anybody will see your 10th standard report card also. Yes, those marks are there for you right now to get a good admission where you want. Okay, that will not define your life in the future. That you get it clearly in your mind. That is now people might say your future is dependent on it, but not your entire future. Your future of just next year is dependent on it. But your life is much bigger than next year. Okay, so keep that in mind. What I'm trying to say that, sir, English. Okay, so try to understand what I'm trying to say to you. Nothing is bigger than your life, because I can see some students, they try to take steps, you know, in the exam pressure, which logic I cannot understand at all. I तो cannot understand. हांव म्हणटलो जग मारून स्टडी म्हणून माझी लायफ चड इम्पॉर्टंट ना अशें म्हणटलो. ओके, असो म्हणटलो. बट try to you have to be ambitious in your life, but not at the cost of your life. Correct? So there are cases of suicide happening in Goa, out of Goa, many places. Okay, so it is our job to avoid these cases and be confident. If you are feeling stressed, okay, try to talk out to everybody. Try to talk to person who are close by to you, maybe your friends or sister, brother, your parents. Very important. Try to do that, everybody. Okay, या करपाक जाय तुमकां फाल्यां. ओके, एंड देन इफ तुमकां स्ट्रेस आसा शेअर करात, आपल्या भितर काय दवरूं नाका. I just want to take this one moment to keep the prayers for one of the student who I heard that recently has passed away due to the exam pressure only. Okay, his name is Adarsh Kumar. Okay, his name is Adarsh Kumar. He is from South. Okay, his name is Adarsh Kumar. Their friends have requested me to post a shout out and keep in our prayers. So I'm requesting all the students who are watching this video, okay, in your prayers, try to keep him. Okay, try to see that wherever he's happy, wherever he's there, he remains happy. And his friend, especially whoever is a good friend, get very good marks in your exam. Try to dedicate these good marks for your friend. Okay, that will be the biggest thing you can do for him. Okay, कळ्ळें सगळ्यांक कितें म्हणटा हांव? येस, चड इंग्लीश उलयलो कळ्ळें न्हू, चड इंग्लीश उलयलो. सगळे म्हणटा सर तूं इंग्लीश टुमारो म्हणून. ओके, केन्ना केन्ना उलयता, म्हाका मन करता जाल्यार. ओके, बट डेडिकेट करा, आपली बरे मार्क्स हाडात, ताका डेडिकेट करा. येस, आय एम ऑल्सो प्रेइंग दॅट ही इज हॅपी अँड इन रेस्ट. ओके, हॅपीली रेस्टिंग. कळ्ळें सगळ्यांक? सो कीप इन युअर मायंड अँड be alert and try to talk to someone if you are feeling stressed. Don't keep anything hidden in your brain or hidden in your mind. It is very, very suffocating. Okay, so don't try to do that, everybody. Okay, so with that note, yes, so we'll try to finish today's class. आजची क्लास आमची काबार जाला आणि we'll meet in the next class. Yes, to do very, very tomorrow's class, not next class. Tomorrow's class we'll try to meet. We'll do trigonometry, application of trigonometry, and also we'll try to do triangle. हे तीन वस्तू आमकां करपाचे फाल्याच्या फाल्यां खूबच इम्पॉर्टंट आहा. मिस करया नाका. काम करया, भरपूर काम करया. आमी फाल्यां त्या मेरेन सगळे जाणा स्टडी करया. ओके, भरपूर स्टडी करया, बरे मार्क्स हाडया, एम हाय करया, पण स्ट्रेस घेवया नाका. स्ट्रेस ओनली इज हार्मफुल फॉर युअर ब्रेन. स्ट्रेसान तुमचे मार्क्स वाडचे ना. स्ट्रेस घेनाकात, कोणी स्ट्रेस घेनाकात. ओके, I would say urgency, show that urgency to do your work, but don't overstress your mind. Overstress help जावचे ना. Okay, so with that note, everybody, good night. Thank you for watching my class, everybody, those who are present over here. If you like my content or teaching or anything else, try to subscribe this channel. बरे पडटलें. हांव गरीब आहा, मातशे दोन पयशे जोडपाचो चान्स गावतलो. जोडपाचे न्ही फुडें चान्स तरी गावतलो दोन पयशे जोडपाचे. So try to subscribe. Yes, Arush is here. Welcome, Arush. Yes, so everybody, let's go. See you tomorrow in the next class. Thank you, students, for joining. Yes, sorry, English subject tomorrow. Okay, thank you, students. Thanks for the shout out, it means a lot. Yes, I am very happy to speak up on the very important issue, and also to give respect to somebody. So thank you, students. See you tomorrow in class. So I'm closing the class. You can leave the class now.